سبيل الدموع سبيل مريح تنهد يا صاحي كي تستريح وغصن الدعاء الخفي الصريح يسعك الفضاء الرحيم الفسيح سبيل الدموع
ورفعنا لك ذكرك فإن مع العسر يسرا إن مع العسر يسرا فإذا فرغت فانصب.
Interest, apply knowledge and present their findings to a wider audience including parents. This invaluable experience not only enhances their understanding of scientific principles but also cultivates critical thinking and problem-solving skills. Science is all about exploration and discovery with captivating science models and experiments. And today provides an excellent opportunity to showcase your ideas and learn from one another. Whether your project involves chemistry, science, biology, and environmental science, each of you has made a valuable contribution to enhance our understanding of the world. Human autonomy through organ dissection, exciting chemistry experiments, interactive physics demonstrations, and the list goes on. In this event, we have 293 topics and 525 students have participated. The judges will evaluate the students based on key factors like clarity in presentation, depth of knowledge, creativity, practical relevance, innovation, and confidence level. I will also like to thank our dedicated teachers and staff members who have guided and mentored our students throughout this process. Your support and encouragement have been instrumental in their success. To the parents, thank you for fostering a love for science and supporting your children's educational journey. Now, I would like to request our esteemed director sir to address the parents and participated with inspiring words.
تمام تعریفیں اللہ تبارک و تعالی خالق اکبر کے لیے ہے جس نے ہمیں انسان بنایا اور باشعور ایمان کی دولت سے مالا مال فرمایا ہے. ساتھ ہی ساتھ علم کے لیے اس ذات پر جنہوں نے علم کو اسلام کی زندگی قرار دیا اور اپنی امت کو علم کے لیے ابھارا، علم حاصل کرنے کے لیے، اور اہل علم کی فضیلتیں بیان فرمائی ہیں اور ان کی آل و اصحاب پر اور ان کی امت پر. آج بڑی مسرت اور بڑی خوشی کے ساتھ اس بات کو لے کر الحمدللہ اس سال بھی سائنس ایگزیبیشن جس طرح سے مختلف بچے پروگرامز، اسٹوڈنٹس، بوائز اینڈ گرلز بوتھ ریپریزنٹ کرتے ہیں پیرنٹس کے سامنے اور اپنی صلاحیتوں کو ابھارنے کا اور اپنی صلاحیتوں کو پیش کرنے کا ایک زرین موقع ہوتا ہے. خود کلیکٹیولی پیرنٹس کے سامنے اور اپنے اسٹاف ممبرز، ٹیچرز ہیں اور مینجمنٹ کے ادر ممبرز ہیں، ڈائریکٹرز ہیں، ان کے سامنے. اور ماشاءاللہ بڑی محنتیں مختصر سے وقت میں بچوں نے کی ہیں اور ٹیچرز بھی اپنی صلاحیتوں کو انہوں نے بھی استعمال کیا اور بڑی دلچسپی کے ساتھ بچوں کے ساتھ اپنا وقت لگایا. اور ماشاءاللہ سے بچے الحمدللہ جو کچھ ماڈلز تیار کیے، دل کی گہرائیوں سے شکر گزار ہوں کہ بچوں کی حوصلہ افزائی کے لیے نہ صرف ان کے اپنے بچے بلکہ اسکول میں ادر اسٹوڈنٹس جو इस उम्मत का एक अजीम हिस्सा है, उनकी हौसला अफजाई आपकी आमद और आपके आने से उनकी हौसला अफजाई भी होगी। इस बात पर मैं आप तमाम का शुक्रिया भी अदा करता हूँ। साथ ही साथ बच्चों को भी मुबारकबाद देता हूँ, तमाम स्टूडेंट्स बॉयज़ एंड गर्ल्स बोथ, उनको मुबारकबाद देता हूँ कि उन्होंने बड़ी अच्छी मेहनतें की और बड़ा अच्छा परफॉर्म किया और अपने मॉडल्स तैयार किए और उसको रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए उनकी मेहनतें भी काफ़ी अच्छी रही हैं अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। अल्लाह ताला जज़ा खैर इन तमाम को अता फ़रमाएँ, जो टीचर्स जो स्टाफ इनके पीछे मेहनत की हैं, और पेरेंट्स की भी माशाल्लाह ख़ासी दिलचस्पी बच्चों के साथ एजुकेशन के सिलसिले में और मॉडल्स मेकिंग के सिलसिले में पेरेंट्स की भी ख़ासी दिलचस्पी रही, उस पर मैं पेरेंट्स का भी शुक्रगुज़ार हूँ। शुक्रिया। अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाह।
Islamic Mission High School. Let's make this day a memorable celebration of science and discovery. Thank you all for being here. Parents are requested to proceed to the classes. Feel free to move around. I wish you all the best for this event. Thank you. And
topic for today, that is scientific benefits of evolution. We all know about the spiritual and benefits. Why the scientific benefits are: evolution can lower blood pressure, reduces the risk of infection, remove tonsils, soothes the brain. It will increase oxygen level. It will increase the level of carbon dioxide that comes out. It's exactly the way taught by our Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Look at all the reverse and spiritual and scientific benefits. Jazakallah, thank you. I am studying first class. My topic is about scientific benefits of brush made with the sticks of the Biodiversity. The scientific benefits are: strengthen the gums and prevent white gum disease. It contains minerals such as chloride, sodium bicarbonate and potassium. Strengthen the enamel in your teeth. Leads you the healthy mouth. Hence we all have to use miswak with an intention to fulfill the sunnah of our Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Inshallah we will get the reward and the scientific benefit too. Jazakallah, thank you.
سبيل الدموع سبيل مريح تنهد يا صاحي كي تستريح وبث الدعاء الخفي الصريح يسعك الفضاء الرحيم الفسيح سبيل الدموع سبيل مريح تنهدى يا صاحي كي تستريح وبث الدعاء الخفي الصريح يسعك الفضاء الرحيب الفسيح سبيل الدموع سبيل مريح تنهدى يا صاحي كي تستريح وبث الدعاء الخفي الصريح يسعك الفضاء الرحيب الفسيح فبالله كم تستطب القروح ويبرأ جروح الكثير الجريح وينشط ذاك السقيم العليم وقد كان بالسقم دهرا طريق تقال العثار العظام به ويغدو الهوى ككبش ذبيح بذكر الإله تطيب الحياة تسر أسارير وجه صبيح تسر أسارير وجه صبيح سبيل الدموع سبيل مريح تنهدى يا صاحي كي تستريح وبث الدعاء الخفي الصريح يسعك الفضاء الرحيم الفضاء الرحيب الفسيح تنحى يا حزن واهجر فؤادا توكل بجد بعزم فصيح فإني علمت بأنك نجوى ولبس خبيث مضل قبيح تبختر ترجل بصوت وخيل فما لك في الأرض درب صحيح إلى الله عدنا وبالله نذنا ليطوى زمان بئيس شحيح ليطوى زمان بئيس شحيح سبيل الدموع سبيل مريح تنهدى يا صاحي كي تستريح وبث الدعاء الخفي الصريح يسعك الفضاء الرحيب الفسيح سبيل الدموع سبيل مريح تنهدى يا صاحي كي تستريح وبث الدعاء الخفي الصريح يسعك الفضاء الرحيب الفسيح شكرا يا ربي شكرا هديت قلبي شكرا نورت دربي شكرا شكرا يا رب
شكرا يا ربي شكرا هديت قلبي شكرا نورت دربي شكرا شكرا يا رب
شكرا يا رب
يا منزل القرآن يا خالق الإنسان يا رب يا رحمن شكرا يا رب
شكرا يا رب
يا منزل القرآن يا خالق الإنسان يا رب يا رحمن شكرا يا رب
شكرا يا ربي شكرا هديت قلبي شكرا نورت دربي شكرا شكرا يا رب
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
شكرا يا رب
This is number 3. 3 trees. This is number 5. 5 10 ice creams. Jazakallah, thank you. For cat, D for elephant, chapati, D for dog, F for fish, D for green, D for ice. I for ice cream, J for jug. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Morning sir, morning ma'am. Welcome to Shahi Mission. My name is Married Khan. My topic is why animals. Elephant, dinosaur, giraffe, deer, zebra. The lion, the teacher.
My topic is
The animals. Camel, goat, fish, guy. dog, camel, horse, goat, camel, duck. गलत है क्या? वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह. My name is Muhammad bin Faz. I study analytical. My topic is biodiversity. Face, eye, nose, hand, finger, ear, back, leg, teeth, lips, mouth, peacock, crow, hen, parrot, pigeon, duck, pigeon. Thank you. Morning, child. Good morning, child. Good morning, ma'am. Title: Adulta, birds, tall, plane, jeep, boat, aeroplane.
Colors.
Latalal,
Which color?
latalal, latalal, blue talal, green talal, pink talal, orange talal, pink talal, white talal, purple talal. Apple,
जैसे स्ट्रॉबेरी बोलो जैसे
strawberry, और apple, astronomy, hematology, my name is Rija Misha. My topic is my home, living room, kitchen, bedroom, bathroom, my home. Salaatullahi wa barakatuhu. Good morning, sir. My name is Sultana. I study nursery class. My topic is shape. Rectangle, oval, circle, triangle, oval. Jazakallah, thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am. I'm indifferent. My topic is self-intellect of ten. Lollipolly, down, down, down. Lollipolly, out, out, out. Lollipolly, in, in. Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Science Exhibition. And Miss Sayed Amir. We are from village class. Traffic light. Red light. What do you say? I say stop, stop, stop. Yellow light. What do you say? I say wait. Green light. What do you say? I say go away. Jazakallah. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. We are from UKG class. Vowel sound. I am a, I can say I am Siyatitat, Amatimat, Achatihat, Biatibat. I am E, I can say E, I am E, Amatimat, PhD better, WET better. I can say E, I am I can say E, B-I-G big, W-I-G big, F-I-G big. I am O, I can say O, I am O, pop, mop, hop, S-T-O-P, stop. I am A, I am you, I say I am you. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to Cellular. My name is Zara Fatima. My topic is my school. Water bottle, tiffin box, uniform, school bag, blackboard, pencil, leather, book, journal, leather, My name is Yasin bin Imran Almas. I study in UKG class. My topic is safe our health. We should not waste water. We should not waste paper. We should throw garbage in the dustbin. We should plant more tree. We should not waste paper. Zadak electricity. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to science exhibition. My name is Sheful. My topic is 5 sense organs. There are 5 sense organs. 5 sense organs. I see with my eye. I taste with my tongue. I hear with my ear. I smell with my nose. I feel with my skin. Jazakallah, thank you. Welcome to science exhibition. My name is Muhammad Junaid. I am studying in ecological class. My topic is my school rules. Walk in a line, wait for our turn, use the spin, respect teacher, talk softly, say to others, play together, stand in a line. Jazakallah, thank you. To science exhibition. My name is Abdul Mujib. I studying in UKG class. My topic is home appliances. As you can see here, all these are home appliances. This is the television, this is a washing machine, this is a table fan, this is the iron box, this is the air conditioner, this is the refrigerator. Jazakallah, thank you. Welcome to science exhibition. My name is Aliman Sound. The dog say bhau bhau, the cat say meow meow, the cow say moo moo, the goat say mama, the duck say quack quack quack. Welcome to science exhibition. My name is Mohammad Abdul Kabir Ahmed. I am playing the role of a teacher. Teacher is a very important part of our society. They give us knowledge. They are our second birth. They help students to learn good things. Jazakallah, thank you. Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to science exhibition. My name is Shezad. I am playing the role of a tailor. A tailor sews clothes. They have a sewing machine to stitch fabric. A tailor needle and thread. He makes various types of clothes. A tailor works in shop. Jazakallah, thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to science exhibition. My name is Muhammad Mohsiddin Quraishi. I am playing the role of a farmer. A farmer is a very important in our percent in our country. He lives in a village. He grows crops, fruits and vegetables in the field. He works very hard in his life. Jazakallah, thank you. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to science exhibition. My name is Muhammad Ahmadullah. I am playing the role of a chef. A chef is a professional cook. He works in the kitchen of hotels. He prepares many delicious food for us. Different chefs make different food in hotels. Jazakallah, thank you. Welcome to science exhibition. My name is Muhammad Anasuddin. I am playing the role of a scientist. A scientist is a person. A scientist is a person who makes new inventions. Scientists spend most of the day in their lab. One of the most famous Indian scientists is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam.
Welcome to science exhibition. My name is Muhammad Wasim. I am playing the role of a pilot. A pilot is a person fly airplane who carry the people one place to another place. Who give them the pilot healthy body, must have healthy body, good eyes, eyesight. Jazakallah, thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to science exhibition. My name is Muhammad Furqan. I am playing the role of a policeman. Policeman is the government servant. He wears khaki uniform. He catches the thief. He always stick and a gun. Jazakallah, thank you.
Purple is my body, clean is my corn, rich in iron, yummy in taste. I am a blinjal, king of vegetable. Jazakallah, thank you.
Orange is my body, green is my crown. I go and drive on. I am a car, beneficial for us. Jazakallah, thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Green is my body, green is my crown. I am crunchy vegetable. I am capsicum.
Which sources of?
Which sources of vitamin S, A and C. Jazakallah, thank you.
White is my body, green is my crown. I am good for you, your beauty, bone and skin. I am a radish, rich in vitamin. Jazakallah, thank you. White is my body, green is my crown. I am fully vegetarian. I am a cauliflower. This sources of vitamin C. Jazakallah, thank you. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to science exhibition. Orange is my body, green is my crown. It is a good source of iron and calcium. I am a papaya. I am a sweet and delicious food. Jazakallah, thank you. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Yellow is my body, green is my crown. I am a pineapple. This source of mechanism. Jazakallah, thank you. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Purple is my body, green is my crown, rich in vitamin A and K. I am a grapes. I am good for your health. Jazakallah, thank you. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Brown is my body, brown is my crown. I am brown in color. I am a purple fruit. I am a cheese fruit. I can make milkshake and ice cream. Jazakallah, thank you.
Rahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nabiha bin Fahad. I am studying UKG class. My topic is mango fruit. Yellow is my body, green is my crown, rich in vitamin A and C, rich in of all fruit, I am a very sweet taste. Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Science Exhibition. Red is my body, brown is my crown, rich in vitamin A. I am an apple, sweet in taste. An apple that keep the daughter of the Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Syed Rehan. I am studying class 5. This is a mountain. A very highly called mountain. This is a river. A large natural stream of water that floats over land called river. This is a desert. Dry and sandy area of land is called desert. This is a ocean. Ocean is Jazakallah. Thank you.
My name is Muhammad Talib. I study in class first. My topic is about Earth. Earth is the third planet in the solar system. It is the only planet known to have life on it. It also called blue planet. Earth is made up of land, air, water, the life. Mountain valleys, the flight places make up the land. Jazakallah. Thank you. Studying class first. My topic is about means of transport. Transport means moving from one place to another. There are three kinds of transport: land transport, air transport, water transport. Land transport is the transport that runs on roads. This includes buses, cars, auto, bike, cycle, etc. Land transport is part of our daily life. Jazakallah. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Syed Dautar. I am studying first class. My topic is about air transport. The transport that fly in the sky is called air transport. It includes aeroplane, helicopter, rocket, hot balloon. Air transport is the fastest means of transport. Air transport is the most expensive form of transportation. Jazakallah. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Muhammad Fasir. I studying in first class. My topic is about water. Water transport is a transport which runs water, ship, boatyard, steamer, cargo ship, and transport. It takes lots of time. Transportation. Jazakallah. Thank you. But my topic is about source of food. Food is what we eat that make us healthy and strong. Plants, birds, animals are the main source of food. Plants eat cereals like wheat, corn, rice, pulses like chana, rajma, fruits, vegetables, oil. Jazakallah. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Muhammad Rasool. I am studying class first. Some of all food come from animals. Animals like cows and buffaloes give us milk like ice cream, curd, ghee and butter. We get eggs from hens and duck and honey from honeybee. Animals like hens and goats give us meat. Jazakallah. Thank you.
My name is Muhammad Usman Khan. I am sharing class. Today I have a wonderful topic for me. That is scientific and benefits of Salah. There are various spiritual benefits of Salah, as told by our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. But on the other side, there are numbers of scientific benefits too. Some of the scientific benefits are: Salah can reduce stress levels. It improves balance and coordination. It improves mother health. It improves posture. It helps in increase oxygen intake. It improves respiratory health also. Hence we should always offer Salah 5 times a day to get all the above benefits. Jazakallah. Thank you.
My name is Sayyid Nabil. I study in class first. I want to say the conclusion of all these topics and why we have taken this kind of topics. The white today only believe in facts and science. We want to tell them that our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam told all these things 1400 years ago, which are completely in the line of science today, which is a proof of the fact that his words words, and these were from Allah, the Master and Creator of all. If we do all our work according to Sunnah, we will never go astray. Jazakallah, thank you.
My name is Faz Jamil Khan. I study in class 5. My topic is about season. The condition of the atmosphere at a particular place and at a particular time is called season. There are 4 seasons in a year: summer season, rainy season, autumn season, winter season. Summer season is the hottest season. We wear contour in summer. In this season, we enjoy fruit like mango, watermelon, grape. We get our school holiday in summer season. April to June are the month of summer season. Jazakallah, thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Syed Yusuf. I am studying first class. My topic is about rainy season. Rainy season comes after summer season. It is also called monsoon. Jazakallah, thank you. In this season, trees begin to shed their leaves. Animals like ants, lizards, and frog begins to hide. Jazakallah, thank you.
Muhammad Hashid Ahmad. I am studying in class first. My topic is about winter season. Winter season is cold season. It comes after rainy season. It starts from November and goes till February. People wear woolen clothes in this season. People enjoy hot drinks and soups during winter. Jazakallah, thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Umar. I am studying in class first. My topic is about plants. Plants are living things that grow from the soil and right from sun into food. We see many plants around us. Some are tall, some are short. Plants have fruit on them. Some plants only flowers. Part of a plant. This is a root. This is a leaf. This is a branch. This is a stem. This is a flower. Jazakallah, thank you.
Muhammad Hamza. I am studying first class. There are various types of plants like shrubs, climbers, creepers. Shrubs are small and bushy plants. Example: rose, jasmine. Shrubs, creepers are tall and bushy plants. Example: rose, jasmine. Shrubs are very small plants. They have weak stem. They have very weak stem. Example: tulsi, mint, etc. Creepers are pumpkin, watermelon. Jazakallah, thank you. My name is Ghulam Sadiq. I am studying first class. My topic is uses of plants. Plants provide us clean air to breathe. Plants give us fruits and vegetables. We get tea, coffee, sugar from plants. We get cotton from cotton plants. We get jute from jute plants. Jazakallah, thank you.
Kids, birds are animals that have feathers, wings and lay eggs. They make nests on tree. Example: sparrow, parrot, pigeon, crow, duck, eagle, peacock. Insects are tiny, colorful creatures. Things have wings and can fly. Example: ladybug, grasshopper, mosquito, spider. Jazakallah, thank you.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi science exhibition. My name is Husna Fatima. I am studying in class first. My topic is animals. Animals are living organisms that can eat and they can also move around from one place to another place. Animals are found in air, water and on land. Jazakallah, thank you.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Science Exhibition. My name is Tabassum Sultana. I am studying in first class. My topic is land animals and water animals. Land animals which live on land is called land animals. Example: cat, lion, bear, zebra, tiger, etc. Water animals that live water are called water animals. Example: octopus, fish, starfish, etc. Jazakallah, thank you.
Welcome to Science Exhibition. My name is Hafsa Fatima. I am studying in class first. My topic is 50 laws. The not touch electric wires. Do not play with plastic bags. Do not stand too close to moving switches. Never learn and slide to the state. We should follow these 50 rules. Jazakallah. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Science Exhibition. My name is Maida Fatima. I am studying class first. My topic is about safety rules. To make ourselves safe from any harm, it is important to be careful. Only get off vehicles that is stopped. Do not play on the roadside. Follow traffic signal on road. We should remember some rule to be safe. Do not run around carelessly. Jazakallah. Thank you. Welcome to Science Exhibition. My name is Mariam Fatima. I study in class first. My topic is uses of water. There are various uses of water. We need water for many things every day. We need water for cooking, washing hands, washing clothes, drinking, bathing, cleaning. We should avoid dirty water as it come many health diseases. Jazakallah. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Science. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mehna Sunisa Begum. I am studying in class 1. My topic is water. Water is the liquid that makes life on earth possible. All living things need water to survive. Animals, plants need water. They should drink clean and boiled water. Water is the most precious gift. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Jazakallah. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Science Exhibition. My name is Mariam Begum. I am studying in class first. My topic is uses for air. There are various uses of air like filling air, air in Tara. I am studying class 1. My topic is air. Air is mixture of gases that surround the earth. Air is all around us. We cannot touch it but only feel it. Human beings, plant and animals need air to breathe. Jazakallah. Thank you. Welcome to Science Exhibition. My topic is introduction of myself. My name is Srizan. I am 6 years old. My birthday is on 3rd April. My parents call me Uniza. I look just like my mother. I study in class 1. My school name is Madina Islamic Missionary School. I like piano very much. I like to play games. I like becoming a doctor. Jazakallah. Thank you. Come to Science Exhibition. My name is Samira Begum. I am studying classes. My topic is non-living thing. The thing which do not need the food, water and air. They cannot move or grow or call non-living thing, which is such as book, bag, pen, pencil, book, pen, door, mesh, pencil, scale, and clothes. Jazakallah. Thank you. Yes, living things. All things that need food, water, air, all with age are called living things such as human beings, animals, etc. Parrot, peacock, pigeon, spider, honeybee, mosquito and fish are called living things. Jazakallah. Thank you. Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Science Exhibition. My name is Laiba Khanam. I study in class first. My topic is our helper. This is a picture of cobbler. A cobbler makes our shoes. This is a picture of tailor. A tailor stitches our clothes. This is a picture of carpenter. A carpenter makes table, chair, bench, door, and structure. This is a picture of plumber. A plumber fixes the leaking taps and pipe. Jazakallah. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Science Exhibition. My name is Sayyida Munazzama Wish. I am studying in class first. My topic is our helpers. Watchman. A watchman guards. A postman delivers our letters. A doctor treats the patients. Sweeper. A sweeper keeps our street clean. Jazakallah. Thank you. welcome to Science Exhibition. My name is Seda Fiza Fatima. I am studying class first. My topic is our helpers, people who help us by doing different jobs. There are helpers are postman, watchman, doctor, sweeper, corporate, tailor, plumber, carpenter. Jazakallah. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Science Exhibition. My name is Adhamat.
My name is Mohammed Anarman.
I study in LKG class. Our topic is insects. This is a honeybee. This is a butterfly. This is a ant. This is a mosquito. This is a horsefly. This is a ladybug. These are la. Thank you. Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Science Division. My name is Muhammad Abu Bakar, studying LKG class. My topic is national symbol Siranga is 7, flag lotus is 7 national, flower tiger is 7 national, animal peacock is 7 national, mango is 7 national fruit. These are called our national symbol. Jazakallah. Thank you.
Where is tiger?
Lotus is 7 national flower. Lotus is 7 national flower. This is a peacock is 7. Peacock is 7 national bird. Mango is 7 national fruit. These are called our national symbols. Jazakallah. Thank you. Welcome to Science Exhibition. My name is Alpana. My topic is water animals. This is a fish. This is a crab. This is a insect. This is an octopus. This is an seal. This is condor. These are called water animals. Jazakallah. Thank you. My name is Seth. I am a study in academic class. My topic is things in my classroom. This is blackboard. This is a chalk. This is a book. This is a bag. This is a bench. These are benches. Thank you, teacher.
Next.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Abdullahi. I study in LKG class. My topic is bit physio. Early in the morning, take a bath in the morning. Brush your oral teeth daily. Turn your hair regularly. Wash your hands before and after eating. Jazakallah. Thank you. Let's go and see. Here is the postman knocking at the door. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Hello, up in the sky. With you wherever.
are French fries. These are samosa. This is a noodle. This is a cold drink. This is a burger. We should not eat junk food because it makes us unhealthy. Jazakallah, thank you. My name is Safia Mais. I study in LKG class. My topic is healthy food. This is rice. This is egg. This is milk. This is nuts. This is vegetables. This is fruits. We should eat all this food to be healthy and strong. Thank you.
My name is Sabira Begum. I am studying in UKG class. My topic is food. Grains are the seeds of grasses grown for food. Food grains provide fiber, vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients as you see. These are all food grains. This is a rice. This is a wheat. This is a maize. This is a ragi. This is a oats. This is a barley. Jazakallah. Thank you.
Welcome to Science Exhibition. My name is Fatima. I am studying in UKG class. My topic is fruit category. Today I want to tell you about fruit category. There are the fruit which has source in taste. This is a lemon, that is a grape, this is a orange, that is a strawberry. There are the fruit which has many seeds like papaya, watermelon, guava, pomegranate, kiwi. There are the fruit which has single seeds like mango, avocado, plum, blackberry. Jazakallah, thank you.
My name is Ifra Fatima. I am studying in UKG class. My topic is kinds of leaf. There are various kinds of leaf that can be eatable. As you see, these are all eatable leaves. This is a fenugreek methi. This is a spinach palak. This is a red sorrel lambada. This is a cabbage patta gobi. This is a parsley and kulfa. This is a coriander kothmir. This is a green sorrel mat. This is a spring onion pyaz ki patti. Jazakallah, thank you.
My name is Hania Jalil. I am studying in KG. My topic is phonics. A for apple and A for ant. B for ball and B for bat. C for cat and C for cup. D for dog. D for dogs. E for elephant. E for egg. F for fish. F for frog. G for goat and G for grass. H for hat. I for engine. I for insect. J for juice. J for jug. Rashida Nagar. My topic is places around us. This is market. This is hospital. This is police station. This is school. This is bank. This is market. This is park. Jazakallah, thank you.
Fatima,
I study in LKG class. My topic is parts of the face. This is head, this is eye, this is nose, this is ear, this is mouth, this is chin, this is neck. Jazakallah, thank you. Welcome to Science Teacher. We are from LKG class. Our topic is life. Vegetables are good for me. Tomatoes make your cheeks red. Carrot make you jump ahead. Peanuts make you very strong. Beets make you healthy. Eat your vegetables every day. Vegetables are good for me. Eat your vegetables every day. Vegetables are good for me. Ricky rabbit, he was rocket. I dum moon. He got is cat carrot. Dam soul, cat said so. Bean on a bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. Bean on a bus go round and round, on to the town. On a bus go fish, 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 fish. On a bus go fish, 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 on to the town. On a bus go pip, 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 pip. On a bus go pip, 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 on to the town. Jazakallah, thank you, sir. Thank you. Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Science Exhibition. My name is Sumayya Khan. I study in UKG class. My topic is Salima, some babies. An infant is the baby of monkey. A lamb is the baby of sheep. A pup is the baby of dog. A kit is the baby of goat. A kitten is the baby of cat. A cup is the baby of lion. A calf is the baby of elephant. Jazakallah, thank you.
My name is Muhammad Mohyuddin. I am studying in class 2nd. I am going to speak about our helpers. Helpers are people who help us in day-to-day life. They make our life easier and more comfortable. They include doctor, teacher, farmer, policeman, etc. First one is a teacher teaches children in the school. An engineer design building, road and bridges. A farmer goes crop, provide us food. A policeman catch the thieves. A doctor treats us when we fall ill and help us to stay healthy. A gardener take care of the garden. An electrician repair electrical sockets and wires. Jazakallah, thank you. My name is Muhammad Ibrahim Sharif. I am studying in class 2nd. I am going to present a topic on first aid box. What is first aid box? What are the items in first aid box? I will explain you. A first aid is a box pack or container that holds essential supplies used to treat common injuries. Importance of having a first aid kit. Accident and injuries can happen anywhere at any time. Keeping a first aid kit with you at all times can prevent minor illness from becoming major. First aid box is the first immediate medical given to an injured person before the doctor arrives or the person can be taken to the hospital. It can also save the life of a person. First aid box contains an antiseptic cream, bandages, scissors and some medicine. Let me show you first aid box. This is scissor. This is bandage. It helps us to dressing up the injuries. This is cotton. It helps us to clean the injuries. This is antiseptic cream. It helps us to heal the injuries. Conclusion: precautions should always be in action because precautions
are better than cure.
Is to celebrate National Festival. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Abdullah Amir. I am the student of class second. Today my topic is National Festival of India. Celebration bring joy in our life. The National Festival of a country are celebrated by all the peoples of our nation. Let's read about this National Festival of our country. First one is Independence Day. We celebrate Independence Day on 15 August. On this day, we got freedom from Britishers and we lost our national flag.
Every day we celebrate Republic Day on 26 January. On this day, Constitution of India came into force. Teachers Day we celebrate Teachers Day on 5th September. This day marks the birth of the Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He was a great teacher. Children's Day we celebrate Children's Day on 14 November. This day marks the birth of Jawaharlal Nehru. This day he is celebrated with great joy in school. Jazakallah. Thank you.
Student of second class. Today my topic is National Festival of India. Celebration being joy in our life. The National Festival of our nation. Celebration being joy. My name is Muhammad Hassan. I am studying in second class. My topic is indoor game and outdoor game. Game play very important role in our life. We enjoy playing games with other as well as alone. There are two types of game, indoor game and outdoor game. Indoor game are chess, carom, ludo. Jazakallah, thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Abdul Wahab. I am studying in class second. My topic is indoor game, outdoor game. A house. Inside a house, it can individually or in a group. Indoor game provide fun and entertainment. Outdoor game, cricket, football, volleyball, basketball. Outdoor game played outside. It is a fun way to stay fit, refresh our mind and body. Outdoor game help us improving over fitness and healthy. Jazakallah. Thank you.
I am going to tell you about symbols of India. National symbols represent the identity to how a country different from other states. First is national emblem, the four-headed lion is national emblem that faces four different directions. National flower lotus is a national flower. National animal tiger is our national animal of India. National bird peacock is our national bird. National flag Tiranga is our national bird. National flag, it has three colors: saffron, white and green. Jazakallah. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Welcome to science exhibition. I am Muhammad Mukram of class 3rd. Today I am going to tell you about doctor and their specialization. Doctor are very important because they play vital role in society by caring for the sick and promoting good health. Cardiologist is a doctor with special training in treating diseases of heart and blood vessels. Neurologist is a doctor with special who diagnose and treat with problems with the brain and nervous system. Gynecologist is a doctor who diagnose and treat issues with female reproductive organs. Orthopedic surgeon diagnose and treat conditions affecting your bones, muscles and joints. Pediatrics. A pediatrician is a doctor who focus on the health of infants and children. Pulmonologist is a doctor that specializes in lungs condition. A dentist provides care for patient teeth and germs. Dermatologist is a doctor that specializes in treating skin, hair and nails. Ophthalmologist. They diagnose and treat injurious infection affecting diseases or disorders of the eye. Problems with the urinary tract. Doctor lifesaver. They help to the patient to get relief from their pain. Thank you for your valuable time. Thank you sir and ma'am. And I hope my project was beneficial for you.
I
I am Muhammad Rafi from class 3rd. Today my project is on sense organs. About our sense organs and their uses. We have 5 sense organs: eyes, nose, ear, tongue, skin. First one is the eyes. The eyes help us to see. They help us to identify color, image, etc. Nose, we smell things with our nose. Our nose tells us to whether the smell is good or bad. Ear, the ear help us to hear sound. We can hear different kind of sound with our ear. Nose, we smell things with our nose. Our nose tells us to whether when we put food on our tongue, it is a bitter, sweet, sour, salty. Skin, the skin cover our body. We can feel the wind, the help of our skin. Conclusion, sense organs help us to notice and understand things around us like sense, hearing, smell, taste or touch. Jazakallah, thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone, welcome to Science Exhibition. My name is Muhammad Khaja Naimuddin. I am a student of class 3rd. I am excited to talk about the skeletal system. Here a simple presentation of skeletal system. The skeletal system is like the framework of our body. It is made up of bones which are hard and strong. There are 206 bones in an adult human body. The skeleton helps us to stand up straight and protect our organs like the heart and the lung. It also helps us to move because muscles are attached to the bones. Our bones are alive which can grow and heal when we get hurt. The skeletal system is very important for our overall health and helps us to do everyday activity. In summary, the skeletal system is essential for structure, protection, movement and overall health. Jazakallah, thank you.
To Science Exhibition, I am HASSAAN Ali of class 3rd. Today I am going to tell you about different professions. The list of occupation with the picture will help you to know about various professions. Let's start. Accountant, a person who is responsible for keeping or calculating financial records. Author, a person who writes books, articles, novels, etc. Architect, a person related to the construction of building, plan and design the structure of the building. Pharmacist, also known as chemist, it is a person who can professionally prepare and dispense medical drugs. Journalist, a person who researches, writes and edits news. Astronomer, a scientist who study the universe and specialize in the study of galaxies, planets, stars, etc. Soldier, a person engaged in military service who fights for the country. All the hard work and efforts on these projects belongs to my parents and teachers, and we are grateful to present it in front of you. Jazakallah, thank you.
Today I'll be showcasing a model that demonstrates the structure and function of this incredible sense organ, ear. Ears are the auditory sense organ of our body. They help us to perceive sounds. Our auditory system detects vibrations in the ear, and this is how we hear sound. This is known as hearing or audio captions. Ears are divided into 3 sections, namely the outer ear, the inner ear and the middle ear. All the sounds are basically vibrations, so the outer ear transfers these vibrations into the ear canal, where these vibrations are transformed by brain into meaningful sounds. Apart from hearing, this sense also helps us in balancing our body. Functioning of the ear. To transfer the vibrations produced by sounds to the ear canal and to the brain for the processing. To maintain balance or equilibrium. Caring of the ear. Do not insert any sharpened thing in the ear to clean the ear canal. It is very dangerous to pour boiled oil, leafy juice in the ear. It may cause deafness. A specialist may be consulted whenever needed. Ear diseases. Common ear diseases like formation of pus, eardrum infection may be caused by fungal or bacterial infections. If any infection occurs, one must consult qualified doctor and use the prescribed medicines. Thank you for visiting my project. I hope you have learned something new about this incredible sense organ, ear.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to my project on plant tissue. Myself Sumaya Zain from class 9. Today I will be showcasing a model that demonstrates the different type of tissue found in plants. Plants are composed of several types of tissue, including meristematic tissue, permanent tissue and vascular tissue. Each type of tissue has a unique structure that allow plant to grow, develop and respond to the environment. This model shows the different type of plant tissue. The meristematic tissue responsible for plant growth and development. The permanent tissue provides support, protection and storage functions. The vascular tissue, including xylem and phloem, transport nutrients, water throughout the plant. Did you know some plants have specialized tissue that allow them to store water? Thank you for visiting my project. I hope you have learned something new about the fascinating world of plant growth and development.
Welcome to my project on plant kingdom. Myself, Shama Fatima from class 9. Today I will be showcasing a model that demonstrated the different types of plant exist in our planet. The plant kingdom is also known as plant in a group of organisms that are autotrophic, meaning they produce their own food. Through photosynthesis. Plant can be found in almost every habitat on Earth, from the driest desert to the deepest ocean. This model shows the difference between plants, including algae, brophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperm, and angiosperm. Each types of plants has unique characteristics, meaning they produce their own food through photosynthesis. Did you know that plants can communicate with each other through complex network of fungi? Thank you for visiting on my project. I hope you will learn something new about the fascinating world of plant and importance of plant kingdom.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to my project on the skin. Today I will be showcasing a model that demonstrates the skin. Our skin is the sense organ for touch. It contains cutaneous receptors for touch. The skin consists of two main layers called epidermis and dermis. Epidermis is the layer for protection. It has sweat glands, basal gland, blood vessels and fats. Skin and touch. The skin consists of two. The sense of touch is done by the cutaneous receptor. It is the largest organ of all. It products the first level of the protection of the body. The color of the skin is done by the presence of two pigments called melanin. Care of our skin, we should take both regularly. Use soap to clean the body.
Welcome to my project on artificial and terrestrial ecosystem. Today I will be showcasing a self-sustaining ecosystem that demonstrates the interconnectedness of living organisms and their environment. Ecosystems like this one play a crucial role in maintaining the health of our planet. They provide habitat for countless species of plants and animals, help to regulate the climate and support human life by providing food, water and shelter. Unfortunately, human activities are having a significant impact on ecosystem around the world. Deforestation, pollution, climate change and overexploitation of resources are all threatening the health and biodiversity of ecosystem. Thank you for visiting my project. I hope you will learn something new about the importance of ecosystem.
Welcome to my project on air pollution. Today I will be discussing the causes, effects and solutions to air pollution and showcasing some interactive display models to help illustrate the issues. Causes of air pollution. Air pollution occurs when harmful substances such as particulate matter, nitrogen oxide and volatile organic compounds are released into the air. This pollution can come from various sources, including vehicles, industrial processes and national events like wildfires. Solutions to air pollution. There are several ways to reduce air pollution, including using public transportation, driving electric or hybrid vehicles. We can also reduce energy consumption, use energy effectively and support energy sources. Thank you for visiting my project on air pollution.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sudha Fatima. I am studying in 8th standard. Today my topic is types of diseases. Today I will discussing the different categories of diseases, their causes, symptoms and prevention method. Diseases can be broadly classified into several categories, including infective diseases and non-infective diseases and genetic disorders. Infective diseases are caused by pathogens such as viruses, bacteria, fungi, while non-infective diseases are caused by factors such as environment and lifestyle and genetics. Do you know how many types of diseases? Let me show you some examples of diseases in each category. For example, tuberculosis is an infective disease caused by bacterium Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Yes. Do you know how many types of cancer? There are 4 types of cancer: bone cancer, kidney cancer, bladder cancer, lung cancer. Cancer is a non-infective disease caused by genetic mutations and environmental factors. Skull cell anemia is a genetic disorder caused by genetic mutations in hemoglobin gain. So how can we prevent these diseases? Infection. Effective way to prevent infective diseases is while lifestyle changes such as healthy diet and regular exercise can help to cure or manage disease. Thank you for visiting my project. I hope you learned something new about different types of diseases, importance of treatment and methods. Jazakallah. Thank you.
Welcome to Science Exhibition. Today, I will be showcasing a model that demonstrates how oxygen is produced, consumed and recycled in our environment. The oxygen cycle is the process by which oxygen is exchanged between the atmosphere, plants, animals and microorganisms. It's essential for life on Earth, as O2 is necessary for cellular respiration and energy production. This model shows that the different stages of the oxygen cycle. Photosynthesis occurs in plants, algae and some bacteria produce CO2. Interesting facts. Did you know that phytoplankton, tiny plants that live in ocean, they release up to 70% of Earth's O2? Thank you for visiting my model on the oxygen. Okay.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Myself Sayyidah Salma of class 9. Today I am honored to demonstrate you about my topic, sources of energy. When we use energy in its usable form, we convert the form of energy and get our work done. Characteristic of a good source of energy: it should be able to do large amount of work for each unit mass or volume. It should be easy to accessible. It should be easy to transport. It should be economical. Energy comes from various natural and man-made sources. This can be broadly classified into renewable and non-renewable sources. There are types of energy sources. Renewable energy sources. These are sources that can be replenished and do not run out. Solar energy, which is energy from the sun. Wind energy, energy generated by wind turbines. Hydropower energy, energy from flowing water. Geothermal energy, heat from inside the earth. Biomass, organic materials like plant and waste. Let us look non-renewable sources. These are limited and will eventually run out. Fossil fuel, coal, oil, natural gas for ancient plants and animals. Nuclear energy, energy from splitting atoms. Renewable sources are more eco-friendly, while non-renewable sources can harm the environment due to pollution and resources depletion. Thank you for visiting my project.
Alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to my project on animal tissue. Today I'll be showcasing a model that demonstrates the different types of tissues found in animal. Animal tissues are a group of similar cells that work together to perform a specific function. There are four main types of animal tissue: epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscle tissue, and nervous tissue. This model shows the different types of animal tissue. Epithelial tissue forms the lining of organs and glands, while connective tissue provides support and structure to the body. Muscle tissue allow for movement and contraction. Nervous tissue transmit and process information. Did you know an interesting fact about human body? The human body contains over 200 of different cells, each with unique structure and function. Thank you for visiting my project. I hope you have learned something new about fascinating world of animal tissues and their importance in animal biology.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Myself Sayyida Yusra of class 10. Today I will be showcasing a life organ of brain that demonstrates the structure and function of this incredible organ. The brain is present in the long bony box-like structure called cranium. It is covered by three layers called the meninges. The meninges covered the spinal cord as well. It serves as a shock-absorbing medium that protects the brain against shock shocks along with the meninges and cranium. Jazakallah, thank you.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Myself Hamza Sultan of class 10. Today I'll be showcasing a life organ of lungs that demonstrate the pathway of air. Nostrils. Air usually enter the body through the nostrils. Nasal cavity. Air is filtered in this, the moist surface of the lining of the nasal cavity, and the hair growing from its sides remove the tiny particle of the dirt in the air, and the temperature is brought closer to that of the body, and it takes up some water vapor so that it becomes more moist than before. Pharynx. Warming and moistening goes on in uncommon passages of digestive and respiratory system. It is also called as epiglottis. A flap-like muscular valve control the movement of food and air towards the respective passages. Larynx, the stiff box containing our vocal cord. When the air passes over the vocal cord, it causes them to vibrate. This produces sound on the basis of our speeches. Trachea, the windpipe channeling the air to the lungs. Touch your throat and feel a tube-like structure. Bronchus. At its lower end, the trachea or the windpipe divided into two bronchus, one leading to each lung. Bronchulus. Each bronchi is further divided into smaller and smaller branches called bronchulus. Alveolus. These final terminals of air sac called alveoli. Gases exchange take place here as blood capillaries take up oxygen and expel carbon dioxide. Blood. Blood carry oxygen to each and every cell of the body and takes CO2 from them.
Myself Sufia Minaj of class 10. Today I will showcasing a life organ of kidney. The life organ of kidney. The kidney are a pair of vein-shaped organs that are found in all vertebrates. They remove waste product from our body and maintain the balance of electrolyte level and regulate body pressure. The kidney play a role in maintaining the balance of body fluids and regulate body pressure among other functions. The kidney are located at the back of the abdominal cavity, one on each side of a spine. Due to the asymmetry caused by the weight 125 to 170 grams in males and 115 to 155 grams in females. Surrounding of each kidneys is tough that beyond than two layers of fat. On the top of each kidneys are the adrenal glands. Inside the kidney, number of pyramid-shaped lobes. Each consists outer renal cortex and inner renal medulla. Falling between the sections, the nephrons and the ureter, the projecting out of the kidneys. Blood enters the kidney through renal arteries and excrete through renal veins. The right kidney is a relatively small organ, but they receive up to 25% heart outputs. Kidneys excrete urine through a tube called ureter that leads to the bladder. Facts on the kidney: the kidney help maintain the body internal balance and regulate body pressure. Dialysis is used for the kidney lost most of their functions. The kidney excrete number of hormones. Some analysis can damage the kidney. Thank you for taking a look at my life organ.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rumana Firdaus and I'm studying 10th standard. Today I'm showcasing the life organ of heart that demonstrate the different ways of a part of a heart. So, heart is called pumping station in human body. Internally, heart is divided into 4 parts by grooves. The 2 upper parts are called arteria and 2 lower parts are called ventricles. The walls of ventricles are relatively thicker than arterial walls. The largest artery aorta, which arises from the left ventricle, supply blood to all the body parts except lungs. The pulmonary artery, which arises from the right ventricle, carry deoxygenated blood to lungs. The right atria and right ventricle are connected to each other by right atria ventricular aperture. The left atria and left ventricle are connected to each other by left atria ventricular aperture. Blood from the posterior part of a body is collected by inferior vena cava or caval vein, which also open into the right atrium. Coronary artery that supply blood to the heart. Heart contain a peritacts, etc. Thanking you.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning to one and all. Myself Aksha Tahniyat from 9th standard. Today our topic is on blood groups. To find out blood group of any individual, we require blood identification kit, glass slide, toothpicks, needle and this tongue and alcohol. Now we have to take this plate, clean it and dry it. Now,
Now I will clean my left hand finger using this cotton dip in alcohol. And I will press the fingertip using the thumb and quickly prick the fingertip using this needle. Now I will add 1 drop of blood in this slide.
now I am adding anti-A serum.
Here to show an experiment of attraction and repulsion of magnet. Let's begin the experiment. Material required magnet. We have to take 4 magnets. Now we have to arrange them in the following orders. The total pole of magnets should be in same direction and opposite to each other. Then we have to keep 2 unlike opposite to each other. After arranging this magnet in this particular direction, we can observe. You notice that north will repel each other and unlike poles north and south attract each other. The conclusion: by this we can say that magnet with same poles repel each other and unlike poles north and south attract each other. Here we have some example of attraction and repulsion of magnet which we use in our
Sayyida Aisha Siddiqa. We are the student of class 7th. We are thrilled to demonstrate a test for protein. Let's take a sample of food in test tube and add 10 drops of water to it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's add 2 drops of CSO4 solution and add 10 drops of NaOH solution to the test tube. Let's check it well. Observe the color change. Can anyone guess the color change? Result: we observe that the color turned to purple, indicating the presence of protein. Thank you for taking the time to observe our experiment.
Welcome to Science Exhibition. I am Amreen of class 6. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Science Exhibition. I am Khaja Begum of class 6. Today my topic is about sources and uses of water. Water is essential for life and is crucial to understand its sources. There are 3 main sources of water. First, rainwater. This is the purest form of water. It is collected from rooftops, parks and other surface. Second, groundwater. Groundwater is water that exists underground in saturated zone beneath the land surface. For example, natural springs, a source of groundwater where it flows on the surface of the earth naturally. Well, a well is a deep hole or shaft dug into the ground to access natural resource surface water. Any body of water that is found above ground, such as rivers, lakes, streams, wetland, rivers, a large national streams of flowing water, lakes, a large area of water surrounded by land, wetland, an area of land that is covered by water. For some, all of the uses of water, we use water for different purposes such as washing, drinking, cooking, bathing, farming, etc. Thank you for your time. Jazakallah. Thank you.
Step 1. Take a bowl with the lid. It should be complete, clean and empty. Step 2. Add some cold milk in the bowl. Then add small quantity of curd to the bowl. Stir them well. The curd must mix in the milk. Step 3. Cover the bowl with the lid. It should be complete, clean and empty. With the lid and make sure to not to touch the ball. Leave it for 24 hours. Step 4. When we see the ball after 24 hours, we come to see the change that milk is not converted into curd. Conclusion: by adding of sample of curd to the cold meat, it will not supposed to grow bacteria lactobacillus in it and will not convert into curd. Thank you for your time. Jazakallah. Class 6, today I going present your project, that is the making of curd. Step 1. Take a bowl with lid. It should be completely clean and empty. Step 2. Add some warm milk in the bowl. Then add small quantity of curd to the bowl. Stir them well. The curd must mix in the milk. Step 3. Cover the bowl with the lid and make sure to not to touch the bowl. Leave it for 24 hours. Step 4. When we see the bowl after 24 hours, we come to see the change that milk convert into curd. Conclusion: by adding of sample curd helps grow some kind of bacteria lactobacillus in it and elements conversion of the milk into curd. Thank you for your time. Jazakallah.
I am honored to demonstrate the model of water habitat. Water habitat are ecosystem where water is a primary environment for organisms to live, grow and reproduce. They include fresh water and sea water, salt water ecosystem. There are different types of water habitat. Fresh water habitat include river, lakes, ponds.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Science Exhibition. I am Syed Aksamarine of Class 6. Today I am going to show you experiment of iron filling from soil. So let's begin it. Material required for this experiment: magnet, paper, soil. Step 1. We have to take a base magnet. Then we have to roll in the soil for some time. Then we have to pull out the magnet. We will see that some soil particle get stick to the magnet. Step 2. Now gently remove this dark particle from the magnet and collect them in sheet of paper. These are the steps need to be followed in iron filling experiment, which will get attract to the magnet. Conclusion: by this experiment, we came to know that we have iron particle present in the soil, which will get attract to the magnet. Thank you for your time. Jazakallah. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Science Fair. I am Sana Fatima of Class 6. Today I am going to show you an experiment on making own magnet. Material required: iron nail pins, magnet, iron nail pins, magnet, iron fillings, etc. Step 1. Take an iron nail, place it on a table and make sure that the nail.
Welcome to Science Exhibition. I am Khadija Fatima of Class 6. Today I am here to show you the experiment on how to make own magnetic compass. Material required: tub of water, magnetized needle, compass. Step 1. Take a needle, tip it to a light compass and float the compass in a glass of water, in a tub of water. Step 2. Then add a little detergent to the water to help the compass float freely. Step 3. Then our magnetized needle will point the direct. It points north-south direction. Conclusion: by this, our own magnetic compass will get ready to show us the direction. Thank you for your time. Jazakallah.
There are numerous spices used globally, each with unique flavors. Uses. Here are some examples: common spices: black pepper, add depth, heat, salt, enhance flavor, privacy. Next is warm spices: cinnamon, sweet and warm. Next.
Of strong and punch.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Science Fair. I am a student of Class 6. Today my topic is about different types of birds, beaks and shape. Today I want to talk to you about one of the most fascinating features of birds. Let's start with the hummingbird. The bird beak is long or thick, perfect for reaching nectar deeply with handle. Woodpecker beak is another great example of bird. Eagle.
Welcome to Science Exhibition. My name is Rabia Fatima. I am a student of Class 6A.
I am Khadija Begum of Class 6A.
Today I am here present model of shape of a shadow. The shadow take a general shape of the object. For example, a circular object. A circular object creates a circular shadow, and a square object creates a square shadow. Distorted shadow. The shadow can also appear larger or smaller depending on the distance and a light source.
Sharpness of the shadow. Sharp edges a small distance or point like light source. Example, the sun creates sharp shadows. Blurry edges a nearby or diffuse light source. Example, a lamp with shade creates softer blurry shadows. In summary, we can say that shape of a shadow depends on the light source. Thank you for your time. Jazakallah.
Oh, welcome to science exhibition. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to science exhibition. My name is Samrin Banu. My name is Sidra Meherin. My name is Anara Fatima. We are from second class. I am going to tell you about plants. Plants are very important in our life. We see variety of plants around. All plants have basic parts like roots, stem, leaf, flowers and fruits. Plants are living things. The leaves of plants green in color. Plants take in carbon dioxide and give you oxygen. Plants need water, soil and sunlight to grow. Plants help in control air pollution. Plants oxygen. Plants and oxygen and many more things. Calculation, we should plant more trees to save our earth. Thank you. Have a good day. Welcome to science exhibition.
My name is Hadra Ahmed.
My name is Sohag Rasiraj. My name is Zilekha Mois. My name is Ahna Fatima. We are from second class. My topic is animals. As you know that animals are found everywhere. Animals are living things. Animals live on different areas of the earth. Animals may be classified as terrestrial animals, aquatic animals and aerial animals.
Animals eat leaf on land like lion, camel, cow, elephant, etc. are known as terrestrial animals. Eat leaf on land like animals eat leaf on land.
Animals that live in water are called aquatic animals like fish, whale and turtle, etc. are known as aquatic animals. My friend, aerial animals that fly in the sky are called aerial animals. Examples of aerial animals are birds and insects. These animals have lightweight bodies and wings to fly. Jazakallah. Thank you. Have a glory. Welcome to science exhibition. My name is Shamreen Fatma. My name is Imania Meher.
My name is Aliza.
We are from second class. I am going to speak on means of transport. My topic is land transport. Means of transport. Transport means moving people or things from one place to another place. Means of transport includes roads, railways, waterways and air. There are three types of transport: land transport, water transport, air transport. Land transport includes vehicles that run on roads. Land transport includes buses, cars, cycles, trains, etc. Make our journey easy. My friend will continue. My topic is water transport. Water transport is in boat and ship. Boat and ship are the means of water transport. They are also transport goods from one country to another. My friend will be continuing.
My topic is safe transport. Air transport is the fastest and most expensive means of travel. Example of air transport are aeroplane, helicopter and rocket. By aeroplane, people and goods can move anywhere in the world. Rocket is used to go in space. Helicopter and fighter jet is used in army.
Thank you. Have a good day. Welcome to science exhibition. My name is Mariam Sultana. My name name is Mevana.
My name is Mayam Sultana.
My name is Dunyadai.
We are from second class. Today my topic is our neighborhood. Neighborhood is a community where people live, work and play. People who live in neighborhood are called neighbors. Neighbors are people who live near or next to your house. Neighbors are the first people to help in an emergency. It's important to maintain a good relationship with neighbors. Neighborhood have their own identity or feel based on the people who live there. Resident of a neighborhood, similar type of family, incomes, education level. Conclusion: neighbors can be more helpful than relative because they live nearby. Jazakallah. Thank you. Have a good day.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to science exhibition. My name is Alia Fatima.
My name is Amreen Fatima.
My name is Jana Fatma. We are from second class. I am going to speak about food. What is food? Why food is important? Food is our basic need. We need food to live. Our body needs food to grow and remain healthy. Food gives us energy. The food that provides us energy to do work are called energy giving food. Energy giving food contains nutrients such as carbohydrates and fats. Some of the examples of energy giving food are rice, ghee, milk, butter, etc. Milk gives us calcium for bones. Fruit and vegetable give us vitamins for eyes and skin. Conclusion: eat healthy food and stay healthy. Jazakallah. Thank you. Have a good day.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Welcome to science exhibition. My name is Afrin. I am in class 3rd. Today I am going to show my science project, that is water cycle. As we all know, water is very important in our life. We cannot imagine. Today I am going to show this through water cycle model. The water cycle shows how water circulates on earth. First, the water from various resources evaporate. During this process, water turns into water vapor. This water vapor, when travels up in the sky, get condensate to form water droplet. These water droplet together form clouds. When this cloud cannot hold the water anymore, it fell on the surface of the earth in the form of precipitation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Welcome to science exhibition. My name is Nuran. I am in class 10. Today I am going to tell you about nervous system. As you all know that human beings are the most intelligent of all living beings. They can think, talk, express, emotional, walk, run, cry, laugh and do all other things that most living beings cannot. All this is possible because the human body is very well developed in comparison to other beings. Let us now understand one of the important organ system of the body. Nervous system and sense organs, the brain, spinal cord and nervous together make our nervous system. The nervous system controls all our organs. The brain is the main center of the nervous system. It controls all our other organs and functions of our body. The 5 main sense organs of the body are connected to the brain through a system of nerves. These nerves are spread all over the body. They carry the messages from brain to tell us with us to walk, run, sit or stand. To keep our nervous system healthy, we should eat a balanced diet and exercise regularly. Thank you for your attention and it's our pleasure to share this information with you. Jazakallah.
Good morning, welcome to science exhibition. I am Kubra Fatima of class 10. My project is about rotation and revolution of the earth. Have you seen the sunset? If you get up early enough, maybe you have seen it rise too. But have you ever wondered if the sun rises every day and set every night? Where does it go? Why we can't say it? Well, now it's actually a star revolves around the earth because we are on the earth. Two ways they are rotation and revolution. The spinning of the earth is called rotation.
Morning everyone, welcome to science exhibition. My name is Sriramandima. I am in class. The topic of my project is 3 R's. What the 3 R's stand for? The 3 R's stand for reduce, reuse, recycle. The 3 R's help to keep the environment. So we must reduce the, as we all know that plastic harm the environment. So we must reduce the use of plastic. Reduce the use of plastic by use cloth and jute bags while shopping. Save water by closing tie while brushing teeth. Reduce the use of.
Morning everyone, welcome to science exhibition. My name is Afshan Fatima of class 3rd. Today I am here to speak about earth. Safe fuel, safe trees, safe water and safe energy. As we all know, we live on the planet Earth. The earth is the 3rd planet in our solar system. We are so lucky to be living on earth. Earth revolves around the sun. Earth has life. No other planet has life. It has land, oceans. It has different seasons like summer, winter and rainy. It has oxygen to breathe. Animals, humans and birds live on earth. Earth's surface covers 71% of water and 29% of land. A witness about the importance in protecting of deforestation and the motherland it has responsibility to keep safe and clean. Jazakallah. Thank you for listening and watching my project. All credits goes to my lovely parents and teachers. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Joyet Awasam. I am student of class 4. Today my project is digestive system. The digestive system, it is one of the special organ system in our body that help us eat food and turn it into energy. It started from mouth when we take a bite of food and chew it. Our teeth break the food down and our saliva is to after that the food from mouth when we take a bite of food and chew it. And the stomach, the food mixes with strong juice and it removes of the useful stuff called nutrients from the food. The leftover waste then goes to the large intestine where water is removed and the useful stuff called nutrients. So the circulation is the digestive system is super important for our health. Is removed and for our health and removes waste from our body. Jazakallah. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Welcome to science exhibition. My name is Khadija Fatima of class 4. My topic is about season. If the weather remains the same for a long period, it is called a season. In India, we have three main seasons. They are summer, rainy and winter. The other two seasons are spring and autumn. Summer is the hottest season in India, which is observed from the month of March to May. People love to eat ice cream and different juice in summer. Every season lasts for 2-3 months. Usually all the season of India come in a particular sequence of time. The winter season is a coldest season of the year. People wear warm clothes in winter. This season is observed from December to February. Rainy season is a beautiful season. The sky remains cloudy and rains occur in this season. This season is observed from June to September. We love and enjoy all the season of India. Jazakallah. Thank you. Have a good day.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Welcome to science exhibition. My name is Nur Fatima. I am student of 4th standard. Today I am so excited to talk about the food chain. A food chain shows how energy moves from one thing to another. It is plant which are called producers because they make their own food using sunlight. Then herbivores like rabbit and cow that eat the plants. The animals are called primary consumer. Next comes carnivores like fox and lion that eat the herbivores. They are called secondary consumers. Sometimes some animals eat both plants and animals called omnivores like bear, human, etc. So the conclusion is each part of the food chain is important for survival of all living things. Jazakallah. Thank you. Have a good day.
My name is Mohammadi Rumesa Fatima. I am student of class 4th. I am excited to talk about the food pyramid. The food pyramid is a helpful guide that shows us how to eat healthy and a balanced meal. It was created to help us understand the amount of food we should eat every day. Cereals are placed at the broad base of the food pyramid. As we move up towards the pyramid, the size of the group reduces. This tells us that the food placed in those groups should be consumed less. Fats and sweets are at the top of the pyramid because they should be eaten in least amount. A balanced diet contains food items from all these groups. Fact, apple contains a chemical that can reduce the chances of diabetes and asthma. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Conclusion, the food pyramid serves as a helpful guide to balance nutrition by promoting the consumption of a variety of food in the right proportion to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Jazakallah. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Welcome to science exhibition. My name is Fatima Ban. I am studying 4th standard. I am excited to talk about life cycle of butterfly. The life cycle of butterfly is really interesting and has 4 main stages. It all begins when a female butterfly lays tiny eggs on a leaf, caterpillar larva. After few days, the eggs hatch into caterpillar known as larva. As caterpillar are in larval stage, they feed on leaves to grow faster. Pupa, once the caterpillar is big enough, it finds a safe place to rest and forms a pupa. Inside the pupa, the caterpillar grows and changes into an adult butterfly. Adult butterfly, the pupa open and a beautiful butterfly comes out. At first, its wings are soft and wet, but soon they dry and become strong. Conclusion, the life cycle of butterfly is amazing. It shows us how something small can grow and change into a beautiful flying creature. Jazakallah. Thank you. Have a good day.
Barakatuh. Welcome to science exhibition. I am Amina Begum from class 6. Today my science project is on balanced diet. Today I will explain you about balanced diet. A balanced diet means eating a wide variety of food in the right proportion, consuming the right amount of food to maintain a healthy body weight. Fruits and vegetables should cover a significant portion of our diet. They are rich in vitamins, minerals, fiber, which are essential for good health. Proteins. Good source of protein includes meat, fish, egg, beans and nuts. They play a role in producing hormones. Carbohydrates. Food like bread, rice, pasta and cereals are important for providing energy. It's best to choose whole grains. Calcium. This includes milk, cheese and yogurt which provide calcium and other essential nutrients. Fats. Ghee, butter, oil have a lot of fat. Conclusion, a balanced diet is essential for maintaining good health, support bodily function and also prevent from chronic diseases. Thank you. morning everyone. Welcome to science exhibition. My name is Saida Mohammadi from class 5th. Today my topic is about solar eclipse. Do you know about solar eclipse? Solar eclipse is a process in which the moons come in between the sun and the earth. The shadow of the moon falls on the earth. Solar eclipse occur when the sun, moon and earth line up straight in space. Solar eclipse can only occur during a new moon phase. There are three types of solar eclipses: partial, annular and total. Protective glasses or materials must be used to safely observe a solar eclipse. Solar eclipse can create unique lightning effects and can change the temperature during the event, which make us look up and wonder on its conclusion. A solar eclipse happens when the moons cover the sun, creating a beautiful and rare sight in the sky. Jazakillah, thank you.
Good morning everyone. Welcome to science exhibition. My name is Safura Siddiqui from class 5th. Today I will tell you about brain and how does it function. The brain is central organ of the nervous system that processes information and coordinates with body function. Brain is protected by the skull. It is one of the most energy-consuming organ of the body. Memories are stored, recalled by the brain. It controls everything from breathing to decision-making. It continues to develop throughout childhood and adolescence. Conclusion: the brain controls all body function, processing information, and responsible for thoughts, emotion, and memory. Jazakillah. So, good morning, everyone. Welcome to science exhibition. I am Haria Fatima from class 5. Today, my topic is on lunar eclipse. Today I will explain you how lunar eclipse happen. Lunar eclipse is a process when the earth is directly between the sun and the moon. Lunar eclipse is known as astronomical phenomena. Lunar eclipse can only happen during a full moon day. Lunar eclipse is safe to watch with eyes. Lunar eclipse are of three types: total lunar eclipse, partial lunar eclipse, manual lunar eclipse. During a lunar eclipse, the moon looks reddish. Conclusion: lunar eclipse occurs when the earth passes between the sun and the moon, accusing the earth to cover the moon. Thank you. Zainab Begum, student of class. Here's a simple presentation through model about means of communication that we use in our daily life. Communication is how we share ideas and information with others. It can be spoken, written, or can be explained through sign. Modern means of communication include various tools and technology that help us connect with others quickly and easily. One popular method is using smartphones, which allows us to make calls, send text messages, and share photos instantly. Social media platforms like Zoom, Instagram, and Facebook enable us to share our thoughts and experience with friends and family around the world. Video calling apps such as Zoom and FaceTime let us see and talk to people in real time, making long distance communication feel more personal. So the conclusion is communication is essential in our daily life. It helps us understand each other better and build more connection. Jazakallah, thank you.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Myself Nida Fatima of 8th standard. Welcome to science exhibition. Today I will be showcasing a model that demonstrates the different types of parts of flower. The Datura is a genus of 9 species of highly poisonous flowering plant belonging to the nightshade family. They are commonly known as devil's trumpet, devil's wheels, and hell's bells, etc. All species of the Datura are extremely poisonous, especially their seeds and flowers, which can cause respiratory depression, fever, and death if taken internally. Now I am going to tell you about bisexual. When two parts are present in one flower, means the male and female part is present in one flower, the bisexual is present. Sepal is the first part of a flower that protects the flowers but it preventing from drying out. Petals. The brightly colored petals attracted to the pollinators such as bees and animals. Stamen, the main reproductive organ of a flower. Pistil, the part of the flower that produces ovule. Filament, the filament is performed for the development of the anther. Style is the helps with the fertilization by allowing pollen tubes transport sperm cells into the cell. Ovule, the ovule is performed excel in the site of fertilization. Ovary, the function of an ovary is to prepare. The ovule is for fertilization. Stigma, the female reproductive system of part. Receptacle. The receptacle connects the flower stall to the flower's other to protect the flower. Thank you for visiting my project and I hope you like this model.
My project on neurons. Today I will be showcasing a model that demonstrates the structural and functional unit of neuron system. Neuron is also known as nerve cells. They are the building blocks of our nervous system. They play a crucial role in transmitting information and enabling us to think, learn and move. These models show the different part of a neuron. Neuron also known as nerve cells. They are the building blocks of our nervous system. They play a crucial role in transmitting information, enabling us to think, learn and move. Neuron is a highly specialized cell which is responsible for transmission of nerve impulse. Neuron consists of the following parts. The first part is saturn or cell body. The saturn or cell body is somewhat star-shaped with many hair-like structures protruding out of the margin. The cell body consists of the prominent nucleus. Nasal granules are present in cytoplasm of cell body. The hair-like structures are called dendrites. Dendrites receive nerve impulses. The long projection that extends from cell body is axon and is surrounded by myelin sheath. The myelin sheath is made up of squamous cell and chiefly consists of fatty materials. It insulates the axon against nerve impulses from their surrounding. Axon end in several hair-like structures are called axon terminal. The axon terminal relay nerve impulses to dendrites or saturn of other neurons. Let me tell you one interesting fact about neuron. Did you know that there are over 100 billion neurons in the human brain? I hope you have learned something new about the amazing world of neuron and how they enable us to function. Thank you for visiting my project.
Myself Madhya Mary from class 9. Today I will be showcasing a model that demonstrates different types of blood cells. Blood cells are an essential part of our circulatory system. There are main three types of blood cell: red blood cell, white blood cell and platelets. This model shows the different types of blood cell. Red blood cell, also known as erythrocyte, carry oxygen throughout the body. White blood cell, also known as leukocyte, help fight infection disease. Platelet, also known as thrombocyte, help the blood to clot, prevent bleeding. Interesting fact, did you know the human body produces around 2 million red blood cells for every second? Thank you for visiting my project. I hope you have learned something new about fascinating world of blood cells and their importance in our body.
Welcome to my project on single and double circulation. I am Muhammad Yafsa Fatima of class 10. Today, I'll be showcasing a model on these two types of circulation and explaining the difference. First, I will explain single circulation. Single circulation is also known as single loop circulation, is a type of circulation found in fish and some other aquatic animals. In the system, the heart pumps blood through single circuit, delivering oxygenated blood from the gills to the rest of the body. Double circulation. Double circulation is also known as double loop circulation, is a type of circulation found in human and other mammals. In the system, the heart pumps blood through two separate circuits, delivering oxygenated blood from the lungs to the heart through pulmonary circuit and the systemic circuit, which delivers oxygenated blood from the heart to the rest of the body. Thank you for visiting my project. I hope you have learned something new about these two types of circulation and their importance. Remember, understanding how our body works is essential for maintaining good health and preventing diseases. Jazakallah.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to my project on excretory system. Today I will be showcasing a model that demonstrates how our body remove waste and access substance. Excretion. Excretion is a biological process involved in separation and removal of toxic waste. Formation of urine involves 4 states: glomerular filtration, tubular reabsorption, tubular secretion and concentration of urine. Glomerular filtration. Blood flows from renal artery to glomerulus. Filtration of blood occurs in glomerulus. Glomerular filtration is also known as primary urine, which is almost equal to blood in chemical composition except the blood cells. Tubular reabsorption. The primary urine pass into PCT, proximal convoluted tubule. Useful substance like amino acids, sodium chloride, bicarbonate ions, sodium ions are reabsorbed into pretubular network. Tubular secretion. After reabsorption into PCT, proximal convoluted tubule, the urine travels into loop of Henle into DCT, distal convoluted tubule. Here are some other
On respiratory system. Today, I will be showcasing a model that demonstrates how our body breathes and supplies oxygen to its cells. The respiratory system is responsible for oxygen and removing carbon dioxide. It consists of the nose, mouth, trachea, bronchus, lungs and diaphragm. This model shows the different parts of the respiratory system. The air enters through the nose or mouth, passes through the trachea and then into the bronchi. The bronchi into smaller bronchioles where alveoli changes and gases exchange. When we inhale, the diaphragm expands and air enters in it. When we exhale, the diaphragm contracts and descends, passing out the air. Interesting facts. Did you know that the lungs carry over 300 million alveoli where gases exchange occurs? Thank you for visiting my project. I hope you have learned something new about the amazing respiratory system and how it keeps us alive. Jazakallah.
Myself, Zahra bin Faisal from 9th standard.
Myself, Zoha Fatima from 9th standard.
Welcome to my project on plant cell. Today I will be showcasing a model and demonstrate the different components of a plant cell and their function. A plant cell is a basic structure and function unit of plants. It's composed of several organelles, each with unique function that work together to keep the cell alive and functioning. Now my friend will continue.
This model shows the different components of a plant cell. The cytoplasm is the jelly-like substance inside the cell, where many metabolic processes take place. The nucleus contains genetic material, while the mitochondria generate energy for the cell. The chloroplasts are responsible for a photosynthesis, and vacuoles store water, nutrients, and waste product. Did you know that the plant is up to 10 times larger than the animal cell? Thank you for visiting on my project. I hope you have learned something about a fascinating world of plant cell and their importance in our ecosystem. Jazakallah.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Myself Sadika Afrin of class standard 10. Today I will be showcasing a model that demonstrates how our body breaks down the food into nutrients. This model shows the different parts of the digestive system. The mouth is where the food is masticated by our teeth and mixed with saliva. Then the esophagus carries the food to the stomach, where it is mixed with digestive enzyme and stomach acid, which is also known as hydrochloric acid. The small intestine is responsible for nutrition absorption, and the large intestine is responsible for water absorption and waste elimination. Did you know that our digestive system is 9 meters and 30 feet long, and it takes around 72 hours for one complete digestion? Thank you for visiting my project. I hope you have learned something new about this amazing digestive system and how it's help our body functions. Thank you.
To my project Sensor Organs, myself Bahani from class 9. Today I will be showcasing a model that demonstrated the eye. Structure of the eye. The human eye is one of the most important and sensitive sense organs gifted to us by the God. The construction and working of the human eye is like a camera forming an inverted and real image. Stellar features. Our eye contains eyelids, eyelashes, eyebrows and lacrimal glands. A thin membrane covers the front part of the eye. These membrane called conjunctiva international. The model showing the structure of human eye are sclera, cornea, iris, pupils, etc. Function of the eye. Light enter the eye through the cornea. It clean front surface of the eye, which acts like a camera lens. Optic nerve. Eye diseases, night blindness, xerothoma, glaucoma, myopia. Thank you for visiting my project. I hope you will learn something new about the word of eye.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am delighted to demonstrate my project magnetic separation. It is a process in which magnetic ores are separated from non-magnetic impurities with the help of electromagnets. It is based on the difference in the magnetic properties of the ore and the gangue. In this method, the powdered ore is dropped over the belt revolving around the roller, one on which is a magnetic. The magnetic roller attracts the magnetic component of the ore, which falls nearer to the roller, while the non-magnetic portion files off and forms a separate heap. Thank you for visiting my project.
Welcome to my project on the villus. Today I will be demonstrate the structure and function of the villus. The villus is small finger-like projection that the walls of the villus is responsible for increasing surface area of our digestive system, allowing for more efficient absorption of our nutrients from the food we eat. This model shows the different part of the villus. The villus is covered in microvilli, which are tiny hair-like projection. The core of the villus contains lymphatic vessels and blood vessels, which transport nutrients and waste product and away from the intestine. Interesting fact: did you know that the surface area of the small intestine is increasing surface area? The size of the core is tiny squid. That the villi is so thin, almost they are invisible to our naked eyes. Thank you for visiting.
Welcome to our project on animal cell. Myself Sanatul Khadir from class 9.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Satya from class 9.
Today we will be showcasing a model that demonstrates the different components of an animal cell and their function. Animal cell is the basic structure or functional unit of animal. It composed of several organelles, each with unique function that work together to keep the cell alive and functioning. This model shows the different components of an animal cell.
The cell membrane The cell membrane regulates the movement of the material in and out of the cell. The cytoplasm is gel-like substance inside the cell where many metabolic processes takes place. The nucleus contains cell genetic material while the mitochondria generates energy for the cell. Interesting facts. Do you know how animal cell can be specialized to perform a specific function, such as a nerve cell that transmits signal in our body and muscular cell that contact to move our muscles?
Thank you for visiting our project. We hope you learned something new about fascinating world of animal cell. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to my project on Beyond Force. Today I will be showcasing a model that demonstrates the concept of buoyancy and its importance in various fields. Beyond force is the upward force exerted by a fluid such as water or air on a ship, partially or fully submerged in it. This model represents a ship with its hulls and cargo holds. This force is responsible for the ability of ship to float or sink in the fluid. As you can see, the ship is designed to display the volume of water equal to its own weights. This displacement creates an upward buoyancy force that counteracts the weight of ship. So, how is buoyancy force used in real life scenarios? From designing a ship and submarines to creating helium balloon and life jackets. Understanding buoyancy force is crucial in engineering and technology. Thank you for visiting my project. I hope you found it fascinating as I did. Jazakallah.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Maria Munisa. I am the student of class 7. I am delighted to present the model of electric symbols and their uses. Electric symbols are an essential part of our daily life. From the wirings in our home to the circuit design in your electronic device.
Play a vital role in powering various devices and system uses. Bulb. It is also known as light bulb. It has numerous uses, various applications. It is essential part of our daily life. Switch in on position. Switch in on position is complete the electrical circuit, allowing power to flow to the complete appliance, enabling it to function is attained. Switch in off position. Switch in off position is break the electrical circuit, stop the flow of electrical current and prevent electrical current corrected as functioning.
Electric bulb on. When an electric bulb is turned on, electric current flow through the filament or LED producing light and heat. Battery. It is a device that stores electrical energy in the form of chemical energy which convert into electrical energy when needed. Fuse. It is a safety device designed to protect excessive current flow through the which can cause design to start a fire. Thank you for taking the time to observe.
Rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Myself, Raqiba Fatima. I am a student of class 7th A. I am overjoyed to present my model of the story of wool. The story of wool began thousands of years ago as one of humanity's earliest domesticated resources and spanned the journey from ship to fabric. Here's an overview of its fascinating history and process. From ship to fabric. Shearing. Wool harvested from ship using electric clippers and traditional hand shears. This is typically done once a year. Scoring. Raw wool is cleaned to remove dirty grains and impurities. Sorting and grading. Wool sorted by quality, length and fineness. Guarding and combing. The fiber are decent angled and aligned into smooth strands ready for spinning. Wool fiber are twisted into yarn of varying thickness. Weaving and knitting. Yarn is crafted into fabric through weaving and knitting. Finishing. The fabric is treated, dyed and finished to reach the final product. Thank you for taking the time to observe my model.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Memina Fatima. I am the student of class 7. I am very happy to present the model of garden in the box. I prepared the garden box using empty box, mirror, stick, flower, pencil, blade, glue. Please take a look. कैसा लगाते लगाओ जरा. Here we can see a wonderful and beautiful vast garden. This small area inside the box look like a large. This happened because of the light which enters into the box fall on the flowers present in the box, gets reflected and travel in all directions. Thank you for taking the time to observe.
Rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Aisha Sitra. I am the student of class 7th. I am delighted to present the model of kaleidoscope. I prepared this kaleidoscope using 3 mirror strips, 2 rubber band, cardboard sheet and translucent paper and broken mangle pieces. Kaleidoscope are based on the principle of optics and can be used to introduce or reinforce concepts related to light, reflection and symmetry. Kaleidoscope are ideal for studying, comparing and discussing math objectives. Artists use kaleidoscope to create new color patterns and draw them onto their canvases. Designers use kaleidoscope to create patterns for rugs, clothes and jewelry. Thank you for taking the time to observe my model.
I am delighted to demonstrate the test for a start. Let's take a sample of wood in a test tube.
Few drops of Now add few drops of dilute iodine solution to the sample. May I know, did you observe any changes in the color? The substance turned dark blue or black, indicating the presence of starch. Let's take a sample of peas in a test tube. Now add few drops of dilute iodine solution to the sample. May I know, did you observe any changes in the color?
No, the substance does not change the color because peas is not having starch in it. Thank you for taking the time to observe my experiment.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Afrin Sultana. We are the student of class 7. We are elevated to present the model of periscope. I prepared this periscope using empty box, mirror strips, pencil, scale, blade, matchbox.
Periscopes are used by the military to observe from a hidden position. They also use in tanks and armored vehicles to inspect their surroundings and detect enemies. Periscopes are used to observe chemical reaction taking place in nuclear reactors. Periscopes are used in scientific research and experiment to get a better view of distant objects. The use of periscope nowadays because
Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Science Exhibition. I am Manha Jahan from class 8. Today my topic is types of plastic. We have seen plastic all around us. Have you ever wondered how it is made or what types of plastic it is? Let us look at the types of plastic to understand it in a better way. This plastic that multiple times, these plastics are reusable. If you try to reheat them, they will burn. Look at the examples: bags, bottles and toys, tiffin boxes, baskets, caps, cap of pens, ball of ball pens, bottle of Fevicol, etc. Let us look at the another type of plastic, that is thermosetting plastic. This plastic can be shaped once. This plastic are not reusable. They get softness when heated and hard when cool, such as bakelite and melamine, which are electric switches, tube lights, exam pads, camera surface, etc. Do you know we can define the plastic by burning it? If the plastic burns and melts, it is a thermoplastic, and if does not, then that is a thermosetting plastic. Thank you for your time. I hope you also found fascinating as I did. Jazakallah.
Here, group 1 elements are known as alkali metals. Here, group 2 elements are known as alkali earth metal. Here, group 3 to group 12 elements are known as transition metals. Group 13 elements are known as boron group or boron family. Group 14 elements are known as carbon group or carbon family. Group 15 elements are known as nitrogen group or nitrogen family. Group 16 elements are known as chalcogens. Group 17 elements are known as halogens. Group 18 elements are known as noble gases. Here, at the end of periodic table, we have lanthanides and actinides. Lanthanides are known as rare earth metals and actinides are known as radioactive metals. In the modern periodic table, horizontal rows are called as periods. There are 7 periods in total. Period 1 contain 2 elements, period 2 contain 8 elements, period 3 contain 8 elements, period 4 contain 18 elements, period 5 contain 18 elements, period 6 contain 32 elements, period 7 contain 32 elements. Jazakallah, thank you.
Myself Cellular from class 10. Today I am honored to demonstrate about my topic, phosphorytation. Phosphorytation is nothing but a separating technique of ores. Now you are wondering what ores are? The minerals from which metal can be economically or conveniently extracted is called ores. In this process, a powder in a large tank. Compressed air is bubbled through a mixture. As a result, oil froth is formed on the first form. Thanking you for taking the time to explore about phosphorytation with me today. I hope this spark your interest.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Shafaja of class 10. Today I am delighted to demonstrate you about covalent bond. Covalent bonds are formed by sharing of electrons between non-metals. The shape of covalent bond is definite. The covalent bonds are directional in nature. They have low melting and boiling point. Formation of covalent bond. Let us see the example 1. Single covalent bond. Formation of fluorine molecule. When two atoms share one pair of electrons, they are said to be joined by single covalent bond. Example 2. Double covalent bond. Formation of oxygen molecule. When two atoms share two pairs of electrons, they are said to be joined by double covalent bond. Example 3. Triple covalent bond. Formation of nitrogen molecule. When two atoms share three pairs of electrons, they are said to be joined by triple covalent bond. Example 4. Tetracovalent bond. Formation of CH4 molecule, that is methane. In the formation of CH4, that is methane, carbon contributes its 4 electron and 4 hydrogen contributes its 1 electron each. So there are 4 CH4 molecules, so it is tetracovalent bond. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to my project on insulin. Today I will be showcasing a model of insulin and exploring its crucial role in regulating blood sugar level. Insulin is a hormone produced by pancreas that help regulating blood sugar level. 7. When we eat food, our body breaks down carbohydrate into glucose, then which is absorbed by bloodstream through the cell. Why is insulin so important? Without sufficient amount of insulin, our blood sugar level can be dangerously high, causing consequences such as nerve damage, kidney damage, and even blindness. Insulin therapy is essential for managing type such as diabetes as well.
Welcome to my project on mitochondria. Today I'll be showcasing a model that demonstrates the structure and function of this incredible organ. Mitochondria are often referred as the powerhouse of our cells. They generate most of the energy that our cells need to function through a process called cellular respiration. These models show the different part of mitochondria. The outer membrane is permeable, allowing certain substances to pass through. The inner membrane is folded into a series of crystalli, which increase the surface area for energy production. Interesting fact. Did you know that mitochondria has their own DNA known as mitochondria DNA? Jazakallah, thank you.
Welcome to my project on the brain. Today I'll be showcasing a model that demonstrates the structure and function of this incredible organ. The brain is the control center of our body, responsible for processing information, controlling our movements, and managing our emotions. It's made up of billions of neurons which communicate with each other through electrical and chemical signals. This model shows the different parts of the brain. The cerebrum is the largest part of the brain, responsible for processing sensory information, controlling movements, and managing higher level functions like thought and emotions. The cerebellum coordinates movement and balance, while the brainstem connects to the cerebrum to the spinal cord and regulates basic functions like breathing and heart rate. Interesting fact, did you know that the human brain contains over 100 billions of neurons? Jazakallah, thank you.
Myself Ida Fatima, I wanted to showcase you about my topic blast furnace. A blast furnace is a large vertical furnace used for smelting iron, which can be further refined to make steel. It is one of the key steps in the process of extracting iron from the iron ore. There are few components of the blast furnace such as limestone, coke, air, oxygen, etc. There are few applications of blast furnace such as building of production of byproducts, railway tracks, iron production, environmental application, etc. Thank you for exploring my model. I hope you find it fascinating as I found it. Jazakallah.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to my model on ecological pyramid. Today, I'll be showcasing a model that demonstrates the flow of energy through ecosystem. Ecological pyramids are also known as energy pyramids or trophic pyramids, show the flow of energy from one level of an ecosystem to the next. They are typically divided into three levels. That is first, producers, consumers, and decomposers. Producers such as plants and algae form the base of the pyramid. They converted sunlight into the energy through photosynthesis. Consumers such as herbivores and carnivores, they form the middle level of the pyramid. They obtain food by consuming other organisms. Decomposers, they form top level of the pyramid such as bacteria and fungi. They break down dead organisms and recycle nutrients. Thank you.
Keep in vinegar, break plastic water, vinegar pieces of chalk. जो procedure break up pieces of chalk into two equal half and discard the proportion. Now fill them into two equal half. Mechanical crushing is necessary for food to the surface area for action of digestion. Thank you.
My name is Mariamunisa Begum. I am a student of class 7. I am vibrated to demonstrate the test for fats. Let's take a small quantity of ghee or oil. Apply the ghee or oil on one paper. And toothpaste or another paper. After the application of ghee or oil or toothpaste, let's observe the results. May I know if you observe anything or any changes? The paper with oil and ghee turn translucent as it shows the absence of fat. The paper with toothpaste do not turn translucent because of absence of fat. Thank you for taking the time to observe my experiment.
I am interested to present the model of sericulture. Sericulture, also known as silk farming, is the practice of rearing silkworms to produce silk. It is an agro-based industry that involves cultivating mulberry plants, raising silkworms, and extracting silk fiber from their cocoons stems in sericulture. Mulberry cultivation. Cultivation of mulberry plants is the first step. Silkworm rearing. Silkworm eggs are incubated under controlled conditions to hatch into larvae. Cocoon formation. The silkworms spin cocoons made of silk fiber during their pupal stage. Harvesting cocoons. Cocoons are carefully collected once they are fully formed. Heat treatment to prevent the moth from breaking the silk. Cocoons are heated. Reeling silk. The silk fiber are extracted from the cocoons in a process called reeling. The dyed silk threads are woven into silk fabric using loops. Thank you for taking the time.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Salma Begum. I am the student of class 7th. I am eager to present types of motion. First, linear motion. Linear motion, a long eye straight line. Example, car moving on a straight road. Circular motion.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Aisha Fatima. I am student of class 7th.
Rotational motion. Motion is an object around its own axis. Example, spinning top rotation of the earth.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Amina Zubia. I am the student of class 7th A. I am passionate to present a model of symbols used in a weather forecast. Sunny, it represents sunny weather indicating clear skies and warm temperature. Sunny weather with clouds. It will be partly sunny day, but there are some clouds in the sky. Cloudy, it shows the sky is covered with clouds and there might be a chance of rain. Rainy, it indicates rainy weather. Rain is expected and you might need to carry an umbrella. Heavy rainfall, it indicates a prolonged period of intense rain. Heavy rain is coming. Thunderstorm, it indicates thunderstorm. Thunder will be a heavy rain. Thunder and lightning. Thank you for taking the time to observe my model.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to my project on food production from animals. This model represents a type of animal agriculture such as a dairy farm or a poultry farm. As you can see, the model includes features such as animal enclosures, feeding and watering system.
Myself Madhya Sidakha from 8th standard. I am honored to demonstrate you about my topic natural phenomena. Let us first look and understand about earthquake. Earthquake is a sudden shaking or trembling of the earth. Next one we have lightning. The process of electric discharge between clouds and earth or between different clouds is called as lightning. Floods is a natural disaster where water overflows into land causing damage and disruption. Cyclone is a powerful storm by strong winds and heavy rainfall. Jazakallah, thank you.
Of 8th class. I am honored to demonstrate you about my topic contact force. Muscular force, the force which we exert by using our body muscles is known as muscular force. Some example of muscular force: digging, borewell, pulling. Jazakallah, thank you.
My topic is about apiculture. Apiculture is a process of beekeeping which involves the maintenance of bee colonies for honey production, pollination and over other products. This model represents a beehive complete with a queen bee, worker bee and drones. As you can see, the hive is divided into different sections including brood nest, honeycomb and pollen basket. Thank you.
My name is Maria Khatun, studying in 8th class. Welcome to my project reflection. Reflection is bouncing back of light rays when they strike a smooth surface like a mirror. Let us look at some example of reflection. So some common letters appear in a mirror. Ambulance is often reversed on the front of vehicle, so it reads correctly in mirror. Thank you for listening.
Myself Amina Fatima of class 8. I am honorable to demonstrate you about my topic acid rain and its impact on the environment. Acid rain is a type of precipitation that contain high levels of acidic compounds such as sulfuric and nitric acid. It can affect plants, animals, buildings and even water bodies, and it caused by pollution, burning fossil fuels, and this also reminds us to protect our environment. Thank you for visiting.
Myself Siddha Falmaz from 8th standard.
Myself Sayyida Raji Fatima Manu from 8th standard.
Welcome to our project on natural and artificial fertilizers. Fertilizers play a crucial role in agriculture by providing essential nutrients to plants, promoting healthy growth and development, and increasing crop yields. Without fertilizers, plants may not receive the necessary nutrients, leading to slower growth, reduced yield, and lower quality crops. Now we will talk about natural fertilizers. Natural fertilizers are derived from natural sources such as animal waste, compost, and green manure. These fertilizers are biodegradable, non-toxic, and environmentally friendly.
Now we will talk about artificial fertilizers. Do you know from where? Artificial fertilizers, on the other hand, are synthesized from chemical compounds. These fertilizers provide quick and efficient nutrient supply to plant, but they can also have negative environmental impacts such as soil degradation, water pollution, and loss of biodiversity. Thank you for visiting our project.
Fatima of class 8. I am delighted to demonstrate you about my model friction. Do you know what is friction? The resistance to the movement of body over the surface of another body is called friction. There are 4 types of friction: static friction, sliding friction, rolling friction, fluid friction. There are some factors which affect friction such as surface texture, weight. There are some examples of lubrication. Applying powder to the camper to that coin move smooth, applying oil to the machine. Thank you for visiting my project.
Self-Mind Begum of 8th standard. Welcome to my project on water pollution. Today, I will be discussing the causes, effects and solution to water pollution and showcasing some interactive displays and models to help illustrate the issue. Explanation of water pollution. Water pollution occurs when harmful substances such as chemical, bacteria and trash enter our waterways and contaminate our drinking water. These pollutants can come from various sources including industrial processes, agricultural runoff and improper waste disposal. Thank you for visiting on my project. I hope you learned something new about the
I will be showcasing a model of Indian
species. Do you know what is endangered species? Endangered species are plants or animals that are at risk of becoming extinct due to combination of traits such as habitat loss, pollution, climate change, and overexploration. These species play a vital role in maintaining the balance of ecosystem and providing essential services such as pollution, pest control, and nutrients. Thank you for visiting my project. I hope you learned something new about endangered species. Thank you.
Welcome to my project on useful microorganisms. This model shows some example of useful microorganisms. Today I will be showcasing a model that demonstrates different types of microorganisms contribute to health, environment and economy. Thank you.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Myself Nabadarim of class 8. Today I am honored to represent you with my model coal and petroleum and its uses. Petroleum is a complex mixture mainly consists of hydrocarbons. So many products obtained from petroleum such as petrol, diesel, CNG, LPG, kerosene, etc. One of the products of petroleum is coal. Now let us know about coal. Coal is not versatile as petroleum but is also very useful. Thank you.
Welcome to my project on aquarium ecosystem. Today I will be showcasing a self-sustaining aquatic ecosystem and explaining the importance of this ecosystem in our planet's biodiversity. This aquarium represents a planetary ecosystem complete with plants, animals and microorganisms. The plants provide oxygen and food for the animals, while the animals help to maintain the balance of the ecosystem. Thank you for visiting my project. I hope you have learned something new about the interconnectedness of living organisms.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good afternoon everyone. Welcome to Science Exhibition. My name is Muhammad Ismail Anas. I am studying in class 4th. Today I am going to say about soil. As we all know that soil is a natural resource made up of tiny particles of rock, minerals and organic matter together form soil. 71% of the earth is covered with water and remaining 29% is the land area. This 29% of land have mountains, plateaus, plains and deserts. These landforms are covered with soil. Let's have a look on different types of soil. Sandy soil, clay soil, loamy soil and many more. In India we use mostly alluvial soil and black soil for agriculture. No land, no life, no food without soil. Jazakallah, thank you.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, good afternoon everyone. My name is Muhammad Abu Bakar. I am a student of class 4. Today my topic is photosynthesis. Here is a simple presentation about photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is how plants make food using sunlight, water and air, and it gives us oxygen to breathe. Sunlight. Plants absorb sunlight through a green pigment called chlorophyll, which is found in leaves. Air. Plants absorb carbon dioxide from the air through tiny holes present in their leaves. Water. Plants also need water, which they get from the ground through their roots. Oxygen. As a bonus, plants release oxygen into the air. Plants release oxygen and give us oxygen to breathe. So conclusion is photosynthesis helps plant to make their food and give us oxygen to breathe.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Science Exhibition. My name is Sheikh Ahil. I am studying in class 4th. My science exhibition topic is about global warming. Global warming is one of the major problems that is rising on our planet. Do you know when it happens? It happens when the earth becomes warmer because of gases in the air that trap heat. These gases is emitted from things we do every day like driving cars, using electricity, deforestation and industrial activities that is releasing carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases. Global warming led to many problems such as melting of ice caps, rising in sea levels and more extreme weather. What can we do now? We can save energy at our home by preventing deforestation. We can use solar panel to save energy by switching to public transportation, by applying 3 R's in our daily life, by planting more trees, save the planet from global warming. Jazakillah. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Science Exhibition. My name is Toit Khan. I am the student of class 4. Today I am speaking about solar system. Did you know that our solar system is home to 8 amazing planets? Let's start with Sun and 8 other planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. The solar system is a group of celestial objects that orbits around the Sun. As we know, Jupiter is the biggest planet and Mercury is the smallest planet. Sun is a star at the center of our solar system. Moon is a natural satellite that orbits around the Earth. Each planet is unique and has its own future. The solar system is a remarkable example of the beauty and complexity of our universe. Jazakallah, thank you.
Now we'll talk.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Science Exhibition. I am Muhammad Aman of class 5th. My science exhibition topic is about safety rule. Safety means protecting ourselves from an accident. Safety rules save us from injury, so we should always follow them. Safety rules to be followed at home. First is do not touch electric point with wet hand. Do not touch electric point with wet hand. Position the floor of the bathroom and kitchen, so we should always wipe dry. In case of gas leaking, open the door and windows, but never light a match, stick or touch the switch and windows. Keep sharp and small object out of reach of children. In order to be safe on the road, we must follow the
and kitchen should always be wiped dry. In case of gas leakage, open the doors and windows, but never light a matches or touch the switches. Keep sharp and small objects out of reach of children. In order to be safe on the road, we must follow the traffic rules. We should walk on the footpath along the road. We should follow the traffic rules and stop your vehicle before the stop line. Never run or play on the road. Follow the road sign carefully. We can prevent accidents.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Amir Malik. I am studying in class 5th. Today my project is on noise pollution. Do you know what is noise pollution? Unwanted sound created noise pollution. Noise pollution is created by humanity. It is harmful to human health. Noise pollution can be caused by highway, traffic, factory, etc., which affects on human health by causing headache, migraine, mental imbalance, etc., which affects on human health by causing headache, migraine, mental imbalance, etc. Way to reduce noise pollution: close the window, put on your plug, plant more and more tree because tree work to absorb sound wave. Conclusion: noise pollution is excessive or harmful level of sound in the environment that can negatively affect human health, wildlife, and quality of life. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Welcome to Science Exhibition. My name is Kaif Hamid Khan for class 5th. Today my topic is about ribcage. I will explain you about ribcage and where it is located in our body. There are 12 pairs of ribs, i.e. 24 ribs, which together form a ribcage. On the front side, ribs are attached to a long flat bone which locates in the center of the chest. Some important internal organs like the heart and lungs support the upper body.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. My name is Muhammad Ayaz Muhyiddin of class 5B. I am very excited to share my science project, water purification. Do you know about water purification? Water purification is the process of moving pollutants and contaminants from contaminated water to make it safe for drinking, industrial use and other purposes. Contaminated water from sources like rivers, lakes and underground aquifers often contain impurities like dirt, bacteria, virus and chemicals. Water purification methods such filtration, disinfection and distillation are used to remove these impurities. Conclusion: water purification is essential to provide clean drinking water, prevent waterborne disease and to protect public health by removing impurities and contaminants. Water purification helps ensure access to safe and clean water for everyone. Thank you and have a nice day.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Welcome to Science Exhibition. My name is Sayyid Mutahar Ali Hashmi of class 5B. Today I want to demonstrate the model of water dispenser. To make water dispenser, we need a plastic bottle, a plastic pipe and a glass. So I am going to show you how to use this water dispenser. First we have to open the lid of bottle. We can see that water is coming out from the pipe, and when we close the lid of bottle, water stop coming out from the pipe. So that the basic sign behind this: when we open the lid of bottle, is the air enter the bottle by pressure. This pressure causes water to flow out from the pipe. When we close the lid of bottle, no air enter the bottle, and that's why we cannot see any water coming off from the pipe. It is small and very useful. We can carry it everywhere easily and also hold it without filling water. Jazakallah. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. Welcome to Science Exhibition. I am Muhammad Mubashir Hussain from class 5. Today my topic is about volcanic eruption. Do you know about volcano and how it is formed? A volcano is a natural phenomenon in which fire lava comes out from underground on the surface. This lava cools down and turns into clay or a stone. The world's most dangerous volcano is located in Hawaii. Mouth of the volcano is called crater. Volcanoes with erupting nature nature are considered the most dangerous. The lava of volcano is very very hot. The hot liquid found inside the volcano is called magma. How to prepare ourselves for volcanic eruption? Listen to news for any kind of warning. Move to a safer place. Keep flashlights. Stay away from the lava. Keep first aid kit, water and other basic things in our bag. Keep eyes protected by using goggles. Conclusion: a volcanic eruption is a dramatic event where molten lava, ash and gases are expelled from volcanoes, impacting the surrounding environment. Thank you. Jazakallah khair.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Adnan Khan. We are the student of class 6th. I am overjoyed to demonstrate the model of terrestrial habitat. Terrestrial habitat is a type of ecosystem found on land where plants, animals and microorganisms live and interact. Some examples of terrestrial habitat are forest, grassland, desert, mountain and urban areas. Now my friend will continue. Terrestrial habitat is very important in providing food, shelter. It supports biodiversity and regulates the Earth's oxygen. But there are some threats to terrestrial habitat, such as deforestation, climate to change, pollution and urbanization. Thank you for your time.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Mehboob Namaz. We are the student of class 6. I am pleased to demonstrate the model of types of fabric. Fabric is a material made by weaving, knitting or bonding fabric. There are types of fabric such as natural fabric, which is made from natural fibers obtained from plants or animals. Example: cotton, wool, silk and velvet. Now my friend continue.
Apart from natural fabric, there are synthetic fabric which is man-made. Example: polyester, nylon. And next is blended fabric which is made by combining natural and synthetic fabric. Example: polyester, nylon. And next is blended fabric which is made by combining natural and synthetic fabric. Example: polyester, nylon. And next is blended fabric which is made by combining natural and synthetic fabric. Example: polycotton, which is mix of polyester and cotton. There are also some special fabric like denim which is used in jeans. The one thing which is very important is use of eco-friendly fabric. Thank you for your time.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Mubarak Ali. Today I am showing my experiment. My experiment is about sound has energy. Take a plastic bottle and cell phone, cut the top of the bottle so that it look like a glass. Now play music on mobile phone in high volume and place it in the bottle. Close the Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
My name is Sayyid Zain.
My name is Muhammad Ghas.
We are
the student of class 7B. We are delighted to present the experiment of parallel and series connection.
In a parallel circuit, components are connected between the same two points and the current flow through each component independently.
Whereas in series circuit, components are connected one after the other and current flow through each component in sequence.
In a parallel circuit are useful when we need to provide multiple paths for the current to flow.
While series circuits are useful when we need to control the current flowing through each component.
Thank you for taking the time to observe my experiment.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Muhammad Patel. I am the student of class 7. I am able to present the experiment of observing parallel cut fruits and vegetables. Let's take the apple cut into the small piece. Place in them plate and explore ale fall. Sometime we notice the brown color ale. Let's take a brinjal, potato, banana, etc. Thank you for taking the observe my experiment.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Myself Muhammad Zuzair of class 9. Today I will be showcasing that model demonstrate the tongue. The tongue is a muscular organ in a mouth. It is covered with a moist pink tissue is called a mucosa. It is covered by a number seeming different tastes. The 5 commons of taste: bitter, sour, sweet, salty and umami. Jazakallah. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Myself Muhammad Azhar from ninth class. Today I'll be showcasing a model that demonstrates how nitrogen cycle is converted and circulated between the atmosphere, soil, water and living organism. This model shows the different stage of nitrogen cycle. Nitrogen fixation occur when certain bacteria convert into nitrogen, release it into atmosphere. Interesting fact, did you know that certain bacteria such as Rhizobia have the ability to fix nitrogen in soil, making it available to plant? Thank you for visiting my project. I hope you learned something about the new importance our line or ecosystem.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Myself Muhammad Mustafa of class 9. I am honored to represent you about my topic Tyndall effect. The Tyndall effect when light scatters as it passes through a mixture making the path of the light be invisible. This happens because of the tiny particles. This effect helps us to tell the difference between our.
Today I will be showcasing a model that demonstrates how Gregor Mendel discovered the fundamental law of inheritance trait using pea plant. Mendel chose pea plant because they have distinct characteristics such as tall or short stem, green or yellow seed and smooth or wrinkled seed. He crossed this plant in different combinations to study how these traits were inherited.
This model shows the different pea plant trait that Mendel studied. The tall stem trait is dominant while the short stem trait is recessive. Similarly, the green seed trait is dominant while the yellow seed trait is recessive. Did you know that Mendel's work was largely ignored during his lifetime but rediscovered in the early 20th century? Thank you for visiting our project. I hope you all learned something new about the fascinating world of genetics and importance of Mendel's work.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to our project on the nervous system. My name is Muhammad Yusuf, studying 10th class.
My name is Muhammad Abdul Imran from 10th standard. Today I will be showcasing a model that demonstrates the structure and the function of this intricate system.
The nervous system is a complex network of neurons that transfers, process information is responsible for controlling our movement, sensation, perception and emotions.
This model shows the different parts of the nervous system. The central nervous system, which include the brain and spinal cord, which is responsible for controlling our movements. The peripheral nervous system, which include the nerves, transmit the information between the central nervous system and the rest of the body. Did you know that the spinal cord, which is responsible for controlling our reflex, like withdrawing our hand from a hot surface? Thank you for visiting our project. I hope you have learned something new about this incredible nervous system and how it enables us to function. Jazakallah.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Myself Abdullah Moin of class 10. Everyone welcome to my project. Today I will be showcasing a model that demonstrates how this treatment helps patients with kidney failure. Hemodialysis is a treatment that uses a machine to filter the wastage and excess fluid from the blood. This process helps to restore the balance of fluid and electrolytes in the body. This model shows the different components of the hemodialysis machine. The machine uses a dialyzer, which is a semi-permeable membrane that filters wastage and excess fluid from the blood. The machine also uses a pump to circulate the blood and a sensor to monitor the patient blood pressure and flow rate. Did you know there are over 2 million of people worldwide who rely on hemodialysis to stay alive? Thank you for visiting my project. I hope you will learn something new about hemodialysis and how this treatment helps patients with kidney failure.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Sayyid Abdul Ghaffar. We are the student of class 6th. I am honored to demonstrate the experiment of filtration. First, we are placing the funnel in the neck of a clean beaker. Then, we are folding a piece of filter paper into a cone shape and inserting into the funnel. After that, we are pouring the mixture of sand and water into the filter paper. Now, the water will pass through the filter paper and it get collected in the beaker, while the sand particles will be left behind in filter paper. Observation. We can observe the separation of solid sand and liquid water. This process is called filtration. I want to present my gratitude for giving me this opportunity and thank you for your time. Jazakallah, thank you.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Muhammad Moin. We are student of class 6. I am delighted to demonstrate the experiment on a concept to soluble substance. Have you ever wondered some substance dissolve in water and some does not? Let me explain you this by experiment. If we take a substance like sugar and it will get dissolved in water due to polar compound. When one substance dissolves in water completely, it is called soluble substance. Thank you for your time.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Muhammad Imraza.
My name is Muhammad Maz.
We are the student of class 6. I am honored to demonstrate the experiment of chromatography. First, we are taking a whole piece of white chalk. Around curved surface of a piece of chalk, put an ink mark with purple, green and red sketch. Now we are pouring some water in a glass and keeping a piece of chalk in the water. We can observe the color pattern that forms on the piece of chalk. Finally, we can observe light purple, light green and light red from bottom to top. This process is called chromatography. Thank you everyone. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
My name is Mohammed Sufyan.
My name is Mohammed Farhan. I am a student of class 7. I am elevated to present the experiment reaction of vinegar with baking soda. First, we need to set up the apparatus. Take a teaspoon of vinegar in a test tube and add a pinch of baking soda. To it we can see bubbles coming out with hissing sound. Now we are going to pass gas through freshly prepared lime water. The lime water change.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Mohammed Sufyan. I am the student of class 7. I am overjoyed to observe how lemon juice react with the metal knife and also understand acidic properties. Step 1. Let's take a fresh lemon and place it on a cutting board. Step 2. Cut the lemon into 2 pieces by using the metal knife. Observe the area of the knife that's come into contact with the lemon juice. May I know what did you observe? Conclusion: the red color solution coming out of the lemon after making a cut resembles blood. This occurred because the knife dipped in methyl orange, which react with lemon acidic juice to produce red color. Thank you for taking the time to observe my experiment.
I am excited to present the experiment of an iron nail in copper solution. Take a glass tumbler, half filled with water and add a teaspoonful of copper sulfate to it. Then take some few drops of sulfuric acid. And to it, then take some sample solution of this in another beaker and keep it aside. Add iron in the first beaker for half an hour. We notice that the blue color solution is changes into green color and brown color deposit on iron nail. This change in the solution is due to the formation of iron sulfate. Thank you for taking the time to observe my experiment.
Children, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Myself Abdul Khan of class 9. Today I will be showcasing a model that demonstrates the density of liquids. Density is a physical property of a substance that is measured how much the mass is contained in the given volume. It can be expressed as density is equals to mass by volume. Objects with higher density are heavier for some volume compared to those with lower density. Object determines whether an object will float or sink in the fluids. Example: object denser than water sink. Less density object will float. Change in the temperature, pressure can affect density. Example: heating causes expansion and the reduces density of substance. Material: honey, dish soap and water, oil. Thank you for your time and I hope you learned something new about density of liquids.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning everyone. Myself Muhammad Ammar Khan from class 10. Today I will be showing the experiment of black pepper. Aim: to prove that sunlight is necessary for photosynthesis experiment. Apparatus: potted plant, light screen, iodine solution and petri dish and black pepper. Procedure: take a potted plant and discharge keeping in the dark for 3 to 4 days. Cover one of its leaf with a black pepper on which a design is cut on the both sides of a leaf. Such a manner that light is enter the dark part of the leaf. Place this plant in the sun for few hours. After few hours of exposure.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Myself Sheikh Hussain from class 8. I am delighted to demonstrate you about my topic electroplating. Do you know what is electroplating? Electroplating is the process of plating a layer of any metal or other material by passing an electric current. Let us understand it by an activity. Add copper sulfate to distilled water and dissolve it. Now fix 2 blades to the solution and connect it to a battery and wait for some time. The copper metal deposit at cathode and oxygen gas release at anode. Do you know the real life appliances of electroplating? It is used in industry for corrosion, decorative purpose, even electronics. Have you ever noticed shiny silver or gold jewelry? Did you know that it is sometimes electroplated? Thank you for watching my demonstration. I hope to find it as fascinating as I did.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Myself Musa Abdurrahman of class 10. I am honored to demonstrate you about my topic pH. pH stands for potential of hydrogen. pH measures the acidity or alkalinity of solution ranging from 0 to 14 with 7 being neutral. The solution having pH between 7 to 10 are moderately acidic and the solution having pH between 0 our basics strongly. Today we will explore the fantastic concept by testing various solutions. Here we have vinegar, strong, moderately acidic, lemon juice, strongly acidic, rain liquid, base, moderately base, milk, neutrally. Thank you for your time. I hope.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Myself Muhammad Zuzair of class 10. Today I am honored to demonstrate an experiment on water of sterilization. Material required: take a test tube holder, dry boiling tube, copper sulfate crystal, burner, etc. Procedure: take a few crystals of copper sulfate in a dry boiling tube. Now heat it and observe. Now we can observe the water droplets are formed on the walls of the test tube and salt turn white. Now add a few drops of water in a dry test tube. We can observe the original blue color of the copper sulfate turns restored. Jazakallah, thank you.
Myself Muhammad Ismail of class 10. I am honored to demonstrate you about my topic of evolution of gas. Let's understand by an activity. Here we will be needing few branches like conical flax, HCl, zinc. First take few zinc granules in a conical flax and add 5 ml of dilute hydrochloric acid to it. It is observed that a gas involved when we touch the bottom of flax, it feels hot, and when we bring the mastic near the mouth of conical flax, the mastic put off with a pop sound. See this. When we touch the mastic in this experiment, when zinc reacts with hydrochloric acid, it indicates single displacement action. The heat liberated indicate exothermic reaction. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Myself Muhammad Ismail Mirza of class 8. I am honored to demonstrate you about my topic biodegradable and non-biodegradable sources. Do you know what is biodegradable and non-biodegradable sources? Let us understand it. Biodegradable are the material which can break down naturally by bacteria, fungi or other living organisms. Example include food scraps like peels of onion, peels of potato, paper, etc. Non-biodegradable are the material which does not break down easily and can stay in environment for a long time. Example include plastic, metal, etc. Plastic takes several years to decompose, whereas other material like peels of fruits, vegetables and waste food stuff decompose within a short period. Slow decomposition causes environmental pollution. Using the biodegradable material are the best way to save environment. Jazakallah khair. I hope you like my demonstration and found it knowledgeable.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Everyone, welcome to my new project on mitosis. My name is Jishan of class 10. Today I will be showcasing a model demonstrating the process of cell division. Mitosis is the process by which a cell divides into two daughter cells. It's external for growth and replacement for in our body. This model shows the stages of mitosis. Prophase is the first stage where the chromatin condenses into chromosomes line up at the center of the cell. Metaphase is the second stage where the chromosomes line up at the center of the cell. Anaphase is the third stage where the sister chromatids separate and move to opposite poles. Telophase is the fourth stage where the chromatid chromosomes uncoil. Interphase is the fifth stage where the sister separate grows and prepares for cell division. Did you know that occur in all living organisms from plants to animals? Thank you for visiting my project. I hope you learned something new about of mitosis and its important in our body. Jazakallah.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Everyone, welcome to my project on meiosis. Myself Sheikh Abdul Rahman of class 10. Today I will be showcasing a model that demonstrates the process of cell division that occurs in reproductive cell, resulting in 4 non-identical daughter cells with half the number of chromosomes. This process is essential for genetic diversity and the production of gamete. Did you know that error during meiosis can lead to the genetic disorder such as Down syndrome? Meiosis 1 consists of prophase 1, metaphase 1, anaphase 1, telophase 1 and cytokinesis 1. Meiosis 2 consists of prophase 2, metaphase 2, anaphase 2, telophase 2 and cytokinesis 2. Jazakallah, thank you.
My name is Muhammad Ismail of class 9th. Today I will be showcasing a model that demonstrates the structure and function. Our external nose has 2 nostrils. They lead to the nasal cavity. Nasal septum divide the nasal cavity into 2 halves. The nasal cavity lead with mucous membrane and small hairs. Olfactory receptors are present in the mucous membrane. Smell a protective function by produced by sound to the nerve sensing the order of dangerous impulse to be carried to the brain, food or from some animal.
Aim to observe fruit which had been cut off. Materials required: onion, 2 glasses, slide, cover slip, microscope, etc. Take the onion and cut the root. Mark the cut and off root with a permanent marker. Put the onion and bulb on the mouth of the bottle. Leave a setup aside at least 4 to 5 days. Take care the enough water in the glass so that the roots are submerged. Observation: by removing the tip of the onion roots having a particular arrangement of cell.
Welcome to our project on DNA. Today we will be showcasing a model that demonstrates the structure and function of DNA, the genetic material found in all living organisms.
DNA or deoxyribonucleic acid is the double helix structure of DNA. This model shows the double helix structure of DNA. The sugar and phosphate molecules make up the backbone of the DNA, while the nitrogenous bases product invert from the backbone and pair with each other in a complementary manner.
Did you know that DNA is incredibly long with a single strand stretching up to 2.5 meters in length? Thank you for visiting our project. I hope you have learned something new about the fascinating world of DNA and its importance in our life. Jazakallah, thank you.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Myself Umar bin Abdul Khader Bamalam of class 10. I am excited to show the growth of rhizopods on bread and observation its sponge. To perform this experiment, we required slice of bread, microscope, mold sample, plain glass slide, covered slip, and water. To observe the sponge of rhizopods under microscope, we need a bread with mold. To observe mold on bread, we need to keep the exposed to moisture for few days. A bread with black color particles is observed. I have found this whitish thread-like growth with masses of black, grey, and green. Find both structure a molded bread. I have collected a small sample of bread and prepared a slide. Let's observe slide under microscope. Jazakallah, thank you.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Myself Ghulam Hussain Siddiq Dastagir of class 10. Today I am going to perform an experiment to study the presence of starch in leaf. So that in this experiment I have taken the apparatus of beaker, test tube, asbestos gauze, tripod stand and Bunsen burner, and the chemicals like iodine solution and methylated spirit. I have selected a potted plant and taken the thin leaf of that potted plant. And I have taken the methylated water in that leaf. Now we have to boil this. We have to boil the leaf till it became pale white due to the removal of chlorophyll. Observation. Spread the leaf in petri dish and add few drops of tincture iodine or betadine solution on it. Result. Now here we can observe that the color of the leaf changes into dark blue or black color. This results that starch is present in the leaf. The precaution should be taken in this experiment is we do not boil this directly on the flame. We have to boil this in light flame. Jazakallah, thank you.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Muhammad Ghani. I am studying in 8th class. Welcome to my project on biodiversity on Earth. Today, I'll be showcasing the incredible variety of our planet and highlighting the importance of preserving biodiversity. Biodiversity refers to the variety of different species of plants, animals, and microorganisms that live on Earth. It also includes the genetic diversity with each species as well as the diversity of ecosystem and habitats. So, why is biodiversity is important? Well, it provides us with many benefits, including food, water, shelter, and medicines. It also helps to regulate climate, maintains soil quality, and support the health of our oceans. Thank you for visiting my project. I hope you have learned something new about the importance of biodiversity and the need to preserve it. Jazakallah.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to my project on pollution. My name is Mohammed Fazan. I am the student of class 20. Today I will show causing models of different types of pollution and explain their effects on our environment. Air pollution. This model represents air pollution which occurs when harmful substances like particulate matter and nitrogen oxide and sulfur dioxide are released into the air. Water pollution. This model represents water pollution which occurs when contaminant like chemicals and microorganisms enters our waterway. Soil pollution. This model represents soil pollution which occurs when hazardous substances like pesticides and heavy metals and industrial waste contaminate the soil. Noise pollution. This model represents noise pollution which exercise the sources like traffic, construction and industrial activities disturbs the natural environment. Thank you for visiting my project. I hope you learned something new about different types of pollution.
Welcome to my project. Today I will be showcasing by a model of the demonstrate the basic components function of a microscope. A microscope is an optical instrument that uses lenses or other optical elements to magnify and research image or small objects. Samples microscope have revolutionized various fields of science, including biomedicine and material science. This model shows the different components of a microscope. The eyepiece lens provides additional magnification, while the object lens collects light from samples, form an image.
Did you know that the first microscope was invented by Zacharias Johnson in 1519?
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Muhammad and I am the student of class 7B. I am delighted to present the model of life cycle of silkworm. The life cycle of silkworm consists of 4 main stages: egg, larva, pupa and adult moth. The process typically takes about 6 to 8 weeks. Here is an overview of each stage. Egg stage. The life begins when a female silkworm moth lays hundreds of tiny eggs. These eggs are usually laid on mulberry leaves or other surfaces and hatch in 10 to 14 days under favorable condition. Second, larva stage. Once the eggs hatch, the caterpillar larva emerge as tiny black caterpillars. This stage lasts for about 20 to 30 days, during which the caterpillar grow up to pupa stage. Cocoon formation. After the larva reaches its full size, it stops eating and starts spinning a silk around itself. It takes 2 to 3 days for larva to completely enclose itself in the cocoon. Adult stage. Moth. Inside the cocoon, the pupa develops into an adult moth. Thank you for taking the time to observe my model.
Conduction of metals and non-metals. There are few metals which conduct electricity and few metals which does not conduct. Let us understand it by an activity. Arrange an electric circuit with a battery and bulb. Close the circuit using an iron nail. Repeat the same experiment using other samples. Aluminium is a good conductor of electricity. Iron is a good conductor of electricity. Steel is a good conductor. Graphite is a good conductor of electricity. Copper is a good conductor of electricity. We already know materials that allow passage of current are good conductor of electricity and which does not are poor conductor of electricity. Plastic does not conduct electricity. Rubber does not conduct electricity. Wood does not conduct electricity. Cloth does not conduct electricity. And also paper does not conduct electricity. So we can conclude for the material, the bulb below in this experiment is an electric conductor. Jazakallah khair for your time. I hope you liked our presentation and found it fascinating.
Explains that if a pen slips off from our hand, it falls down to the floor. General, our answer would be that the table support the pen. If the table does not support the pen, it would fall down until it is supported by another object like their floor. Example, ball falls down. We call this force as a gravitational force. Every object on this earth or close to earth will experience a gravitational pull. If an object is thrown upward, that exists a force which pull it down to the ground. Example, apple falls down from apple tree. Jazakallah, thank you.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Sheikh Ismail. I am from class 8. Today I will be showcasing a model that demonstrates the interconnectedness of living organisms and their environment. An ecosystem is a community of living organisms that interact with each other and their environment. This interaction can be seen in the food chain, nutrient cycle, and energy flow within the ecosystem. This model shows eight types of ecosystem, including plants, animals, and microorganisms. You can see the producers, such as plants that convert sunlight into energy through photosynthesis. You can also see the consumers, such as animals that feed on the producers, and the decomposers, such as microorganisms that break down dead organic matter. Thank you for visiting our project. I hope you have learned something new about the importance of ecosystem and the interconnectedness of living organisms and their environment. Jazakallah. Today we will be taking you through the process of farming from preparation to harvesting.
Step 1. Land preparation. The first step is agriculture is land preparation. This involves clearing the land, tilling the soil, and adding fertilizer as needed. Step 2. Seed selection and sowing. The next step is seed selection and sowing. Farmers select high quality seeds that are suitable for their climate and soil type, and then sow them at the right depth and spacing.
Step 3. Water management and irrigation. After sowing, the next step is water management and irrigation. Farmers need to provide their crops at the right amount of water at the right time, while conserving water and reducing waste. Step 4. Harvesting and post-harvesting handling. Finally, the last step is harvesting and post-harvesting handling. Farmers need to harvest their crops at the right time to minimize the damage and store them carefully to maintain their quality. Thank you for visiting our project.
Today I am performing an experiment of electrolysis. Electrolysis is nothing but a process in which electric current passes through a substance to effect a chemical change. Let us look at in the activity. In a beaker, add H2O, which is water, and add salt. After dissolving the salt, insert two graphite rods inside the beaker. Now connect with a 9-volt battery. After leaving the some time, we can observe liberation of gas is collecting. One is hydrogen gas is collecting, another is oxygen is collecting. Thank you for joining me. Jazakallah.
In 9th class. Today I am going to tell you about diffusion of potassium permanganate. To know about the diffusion in potassium permanganate, water, boil, drop a cheminophore. Keep a crystal of cheminophore potassium permanganate in the center of the petri dish with the help of forceps. Carefully fill the petri dish with water. Observe the movement of pink color in the petri dish every minute. Also observe the spreading of pink color from crystal of peripheries. Potassium permanganate crystal start dissolving in water. The water around the crystal will appear pink colored. As time progresses, all the water in the beaker become colored. Initially pale in crystal, and slowly all the water in the beaker become uniformly pink colored. Jazakallah. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to my project on Chandrayaan 3. Today I will be showcasing a model of Indian third lunar mission and explaining its objective and signification. Chandrayaan 3 is a lunar mission developed by the India Space Research Organization. The mission aims to demonstrate the Indians' capability in lunar exploration and scientific research. The spacecraft consists of lander and rover, which will work together to collect data on the lunar surface. By this we can easily understand the moon geology and etc. I hope you have understand something new about Chandrayaan 3. Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Material. I have made this car with waste materials like cardboard and water cap. We can reuse, recycle, reduce all the materials, and we can make the things like this. This is known as art and craft.
وهو النبي العاقب قلبي محمد قمر أضاء كواكب محمد مسك الختام حبيبي. أعلى الأنام مراتب، أعلى الأنام مراتب، هو أحمد ومحمد بهديه صلي عليه. ما الطير ناح وغرد، هو أحمد ومحمد بهديه نتعبد. يا ربي صلي عليه. ما الطير ناح وغرد، هو أحمد ومحمد. هو أحمد نتعبد. يا ربي صلي عليه. ما الطير ناح وغرد، وهو النبي الحاشر قلبي محمد، ونحن فيه نفاخر محمد. من لم يصلي عليه فهو البخيل الخاسر، فهو البخيل الخاسر، وهو النبي العاشر.
We are pleased to announce that admissions for the upcoming academic session 2025 and 2026 are now open. In celebration of our 25th anniversary, we are offering a special one-month admission drive with free admissions for the first 150 students. This offer is available on a first-come, first-served basis, so don't miss this incredible opportunity. If you wish to enroll your child or know someone looking for the quality education, contact us immediately to register.
أحمد ومحمد بهديه نتعبد. يا ربي صلي عليه. ما الطير ناح وغرد، هو أحمد هو أحمد. لكل العاشقين